Oh yes. Hi everyone. You are welcome to today's edition of Let's Educate Each Other. Today is Wednesday. You guys know how we normally do it. Every Wednesday and Sundays, exactly 9 o'clock. Okay. So I just want to say a very big welcome to you all for joining me on today's edition. So we're going to be discussing another very nice and interesting topic that uh, we have been discussing about marriages, relationship, love, all this kind of a thing. So, but today we are going to take a very another different step, as in another shape. Okay, so we are going to be talking about we Nigerians here in Europe, all over in Europe. Okay, so and some other things that we really need to deal on. You understand? So please, as you join me, you know how we normally do it. You call in, you make your own contribution, then you listen to what others have to say. Then if you can't call in, you can send in your comments. I'm here to serve you. I'm here to read it out, and everybody will understand what you're saying. So as you all know, the program still remains Let's Educate Each Other, and your presenter is no one else than Kris Nkume. That's my name. I go by that name, Kris Nkume. But if you want to add my profession towards it, which is DJ, then I will appreciate it. You can say DJ Kris Nkume. So that's it. And for benefit of those that are watching us for the very first time, are joining this program for the very first time, this program is designed for us to learn from each other, to help one another in areas that you think you need some advice or you need something to learn. Then you join us in this program, and you can also extend it to your friends who you think they might like to benefit from this program as well. Just for us to educate, like you all know, the program is all about educating each other, because nobody knows it all. Okay, so the program has been going on, let me say, not less than 1 month now, and people have been testifying, people have been sharing their views, saying that they love the program and have learned a lot of things from this program. So I hope your own is not going to be exceptional. You too is going to learn. So all you have to do is for you to pay attention, follow up the program. In case if you miss any of the program, don't worry. I will just go. We have a link on YouTube. Have a page there. You have a channel on YouTube. So there you get all the program we've been doing so far. Then you follow up and you understand what we have been talking about. So for those that are watching us for the first time, like we said, we do this program every Wednesday and Sundays, exactly 9 o'clock and night, from 9 p.m. till 12 midnight. So it's a free platform where you can call in and you make your contribution. People will hear you and you say what you have, your own opinion, because your own opinion is best known to you, because everybody knows how he or she understands his or her own thing. So whatever you say, we listen to you, because this program is not just for me alone, it's for everybody. All the youth is involved, so you learn what you don't know, you know it from this place. That's just the point. So please, and again, I have good news for you. I've invited one of my mentor, as in Reverend Pastor, Reverend Dr. Pastor Precious Odigia Sadege. He's going to be our guest on 1st of May, which is Wednesday. Now I've checked the date, is on Wednesday. So he'll be joining us. He's going to be teaching us. He's going to be lecturing us on some areas that we need to know, some certain things. So for your own benefit, if you have any question, you have anything that you want to know, you want to learn, you can put those questions down. Then on that very day, he will going to be our guest. Then you have a chance to ask him some questions, to ask him some things that he will be able to explain for you to know it more more better to say. So today topic we are going to be dealing on respect, and the the second topic is the kind of eye that people look to we Nigerians here in Europe. Do we really deserve it? That's this number two topic. But first topic is everybody say respect, respect. Small thing, hey, boss, you know what respect me. You know what respect me. Now, let's really deal on this word respect, because I believe that if we all know what this word respect really means, that means some things that are happening to us or something that are happening around us, I don't think it will be happening, because they said if you respect yourself, someone else will respect you. And people that speak Oyibo, you know, see me, I no go school. Men will not just go there from say, we know one or two things. I don't go school. Yeah, I chop my school fees rich. Nah, no, because I dey chop my school fees that time. No blame me, no so thing you be. Now, say, respect is a reciprocal, understand? So, give honor to whom honor is due. And you understand? I no go school, sha, but I just, those one, I just stiff and small. Now, if you even look my mind, see, I don't even sabi pronounce and well, but man, no laugh me. And so it just be. So, on today's edition, so the line will be open soonest. Then, after I make my own contribution, you know how I normally do it, as the presenter, I will make my own little contribution. Then the line will be open for you to throw in your own ideas and your own opinions. So the first question, the first topic is, what is respect? Everybody's talking about respect. You know, they respect person, you know, they respect me. What is that word respect? We want to know about it today. Then the second topic is the eye that all these people, both different countries, most especially white that we are in their country, used to look at us Nigerians, most especially us Nigerians. Let's talk about ourselves today, we Nigerians, because sometimes we are the problem of ourselves. Let's just say the truth. I know that some people will criticize me on this topic, and some people will say a lot of bullshit, a lot of things against me or against anybody in this topic, but how long can we continue to be hiding the truth? Let's just be open and let us tell each other this truth. And you know, they say truth is bitter, but once it's been told, it will be, let's say, you'll be free from it. So let's just tell ourselves this truth. The kind of eye that Europeans, as in people that were in their country, used to look at us because of how we behave, our characters and everything, our behavior in all over Europe, the way they look at Nigerians. Once you mention you are Nigerians, they will look you with another kind of eye. Do we really deserve that kind of eyes, that kind of character? Do we really deserve it to be exhibiting that kind of character here in Europe? So that's just the topic. In case you're joining, you missed the topic, you can still ask me. I will tell you the topic, then you have your own contribution to make. So let me start by my humble self, Kris Nkume, the presenter. Let me just throw a little bit more light on on the topic we are discussing today. The first one is said respect. You know, one thing about respect is that we don't really know what is respect, because if you respect yourself, for instance, there's a kind of place that, as in, you know, they said age humbles someone. Let me use that word, age humbles someone. You don't expect yourself, maybe you are 15 years old, or let me just use that word, you are 15 years old, then you now go and meet a 5 years old child or 3 years old child, and you start playing with that child. If that child pours you sand, he have the right to pour you sand because you bring yourself too low to that level. That's why he was able to play with you and pour you sand. You can't beat him or her, because had it been you play with your age mates and you work with your age mates, they will understand the same level. But when you bring yourself to that level of that child, whatever you see, you take it that way. So what I'm trying to say is that respect is what you give to yourself first of all. You respect yourself. You know the kind of life you want for yourself. You live towards it. Then the way you live your life, the way you plan yourself and respect yourself, people will use that hand and follow you. That's my only two way of that word respect. That's the only two way I understand that word respect. Because if you work on yourself, if you respect yourself, people around you will use that same eye, take look you, and they take respect you. That's one. Then the second one I said, the eye that people used to look us, we here in Europe, we Nigerians that are here in Europe, do we really deserve it? For me, we don't really deserve it, because some of what these guys are doing this in fighting or doing one or two things, they are giving us bad names. They are now combining everybody now to be the same. Once you mention you are from Nigeria, my brother, the eye, you know, the eye will take look, person that come from Senegal or Mali, they will take look you. They will look you like as a mafian, as a bad person, without even coming closer, without giving you a chance to to know who you are or something like that. But because of what people have been, the bad ones, as in the people that have been fighting, causing all this problem, have been giving us that bad name, that turns us to be the bad people to their eyes. So that's just the little thing I have to say about this particular topic now. So the line is now open for you to call in, make your own contribution, say what you think about these two topics we are discussing today, because I know that these two topics is very, very important. It's very, very vital. I have so many branches. You understand? So I believe because of this program, we're going to hear a lot of things from different kind of people, what their own idea of these two topics are. So you can now call in. I'll bring you to the camera, then you give us your own idea, or you can write it in. I will read it out like we normally do it. So that's how we do it. So let me still repeat the good news I made the announcement before. On 1st of May, which is Wednesday, we will have a guest in the house, a man of God, a father in the Lord that will be teaching us. His name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadego Digia. He will be live with us. So if you have any question, you have any counseling, you have anything that you would like him to throw more light on, as in to educate you on, because we are dealing on educate, let us educate ourselves. So just begin from now to put down your question, put down your what you want to learn. Then you put it down. Then that very day when he will be on live talking to us, you have the opportunity to call him and let him know what you want to know, and he will definitely will tell you what to do. So please, 1st of May, he will be our guest, Reverend Dr. Pastor Precious Osadege Odige is going to be our guest speaker on that very day. So please pass the information across to your friends and your family and everybody that you think that they need to learn from this particular program we are doing. So without taking so much of your time, let me go to the comment box and see what the comments we have right there, and we'll begin the program. So remember, the line is always open for you to call in, and you'll be bring to the camera for you to speak your own mind and your own opinion. So let me quickly go to the comment box. Okay, this one is coming from Saint Chuku JP. Said, what is the topic? Okay, my brother, welcome to the program. You watch this program you follow us up every day we do this program. So the topic for today is, first of all, what is respect? Many people have been saying respect. This guy know the respect person. This guy know the respect person. First of all, now the point is, what is that word respect? Do we really understand what that word respect? Then if you say, had you been joining us when you started this program, I've already made my own point of view about that word respect. Then the second topic is, we that are in Europe, the kind of eyes that people look at us because of what we do here in Europe, then they look at us as start, and some of them, do we really deserve that kind of eyes from them? Do we really deserve to be treated that way? You understand? So I hope you are in Europe too. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I mean, St. Chuku JP, I know you know what I'm trying to say. So that's just the two topics we are dealing on today. Let's just really know what is only the problem, that whenever you tell a white man or a white woman or any other person that you are from Nigeria, he will readjust his belt, he will readjust himself very well because of you. So that's the topic we are dealing on today. So remember, the line is open. The comment box is there for you to call in and make your own contribution. So you have the right to call in to make your contribution and let the program move on. So that's it for today. So please keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, tell them that the program already started, because some people don't know that the program already started. But when you share it and invite your friends and tell them, our normal program will take, they learn something, don't start to definitely they will join, and also will learn from their own idea and their own view, what they think in their own mind, understand? But if we don't invite them, if we don't spread the news, how can we learn from them? That's just the point. So we can't just do it all alone. So in case you're joining, you don't know the topic, you know how we normally do it. Either you call and ask for the topic, or you write me and ask me what is the topic, then I will make it known to you and the programs moves on. Okay, so keep on sharing the program, keep on telling your friends that the program already started, and don't forget to join us again on Sunday. We have another interesting topic we'll be discussing on Sunday. So that's just the thing, every day by day we get more topic, get more headlines to be discussing on. So the point today is that I'm not going to be wasting much of time in talking. Just send in your comment or call in. I will definitely read it out, or I'll bring it to the camera so that this program by 12 midnight, so that everybody will be able to participate and say his own point of view. So let's go to the comment box. This one is coming from Miss Grace. He said, good evening to the great house. Okay, you're welcome to the program. You are one of us, you're part of us. Since you started this program, you have been contributing earnestly and you are following us up. So you're highly welcome. The house also greets you. Good evening to you, my sister. You're welcome. So I hope as you have joined us, you also share and invite your friends as well for them to join us as well. Tell your friends, tell your family members, tell whoever is connected to you that you need to pass this message across to, so that they will join us and hear from the horse's mouth when the person will be calling. And the other thing I want to beg you guys, once I'm online, please don't call me private call, don't send me private message, because if you send it on private messenger or private message, I will not read it out here. That should be my personal issues. But if you want to contribute in this program, please just call directly in this program and you will be given opportunity to say your mind. And if you don't want to call, maybe you are kind of shy type like me, where they shy well we say at the shy, no sabi look people camera at the shy well. If na that type you be, if my type where they shy well, no sass at the shy now. At the shy. If my type where they shy say no fee call because of shyness, you can equally write the thing and send it to me on comment area, then I will read it out subito. If na people will speak Oyibo, will speak English, they will say subito. The people that understand what I said have already understand what I said, but na people will speak English talk that one subito. So I will read it subito for you to, for others to learn from it, for others to understand what you're trying to say. You understand? So in case you're joining, you don't know the topic, feel free. Don't feel shy. Don't feel intimidated. Don't feel shy like me, because I'm a shy person. I'm a shy, I'm a shy. Don't feel shy. Just write me, say, bros or house. What is the topic we are dealing on today? What's the topic we are discussing today? Then I will let you know the topic. I know the topic is quite somehow difficult and somehow strange, because I know that you guys may not be expecting this kind of topic, but it's the real truth you have to deal on. Because if we don't treat this thing within ourselves, that are youth, as in the correction of this generation starts from us that are youth that are still not yet married, because once you get married now, start giving birth to children, we are no more the leaders of tomorrow. They are the one they are giving birth now will be the one to pick up from where we are going to stop. So we have to treat this topic today and let everybody know about it, and everybody will now buckle up and know that respect is a reciprocal. For people who speak Oyibo, they go school. No people no go school like me, you understand? You say, I know Sabian, I no go school, so I make me see they speak the small one will be say I chop my school fees remain. I know say most of us like that. Most of us I still get some people there like us, like me, where they chop our school fees. They say they send us school that time go, we go meander, go the other way around. You understand? But at the end of the day, we will still try. The one will chop remain, go still try and enter class. So I no go school. So man, I no get me wrong. So that's it on this program for today. Please send in your comments. You can call in, whatever, feel free. You know how the program is all about. Every day we do it. Every Wednesday and Sunday we do this program. People have been learning a lot from this program. So I guess there's so many people that are saying, this person they respect somebody. You don't even get respect for me, I bet. As I even old rich, I even senior, I do this one. Respect no be by senior, no be, and as you take respect yourself, then they'll take respect you. That's one thing I understand for this whole topic, respect. And this kind of how people take the look us Nigerians. Once you and person they do something, maybe a woman stop you. Hey, hello, how are you? You say I'm fine. What's your name? I'm so person. You look good. Okay, which country are you from? He was trying to smile and have a good conversation with you, but once he said I'm from Nigeria, that's just the end of it. Even if you are writing them, you are chatting with them, and they ask you, okay, which country are you from? You say you're in Nigeria. Then that's the end of the conversation. Why? My people, why? Me will talk about what's in the concern. May I leave that wrong English or they speak, you know they correct. Me will speak and normal do they understand now. My people, why? Even if you know if you contribute for that Nigeria, why they look us like that? Contribute for what is respect. Because I said once you respect yourself, someone will respect you. Because you see some people who will not even respect themselves. The way they talk to people, the way they, how do you expect that person to respect you now? Even small pikin wey dey carry for belle, small pikin wey dey carry for belle, e get im own respect. You understand? So, but some people no understand wetin be that word respect. Now we make this when this topic come, my guy, I still shake head though because you know easy for Matthias, so you understand. But no matter how I be, no be me the question come from for all of us for the program. Maybe my own idea might be different from your own idea. So as you come so now, as I don't already talk reach where I know, then you go still talk your own, you go still compare the thing. At the end of the day, we'll get at least one person go learn something from the topic. So that's just the point. So please remember the line is open and the comment box is there as well open. So there's one thing I want you guys to really know about. I don't like in a situation whereby the program will be on from 9 o'clock till 11, no one will call, but it's only 5 minutes to end the program. You people now start calling. They want to talk, want to contribute. What do you want to contribute since you haven't contributed since from 9 o'clock till 11? You just remember 5 minutes to close the program. You now complain that presenter doesn't pick your call. I know they pick your call. I know they read your comments. Now the program already started. Now make your contribution. Then you listen to others. Call. Your call will be accepted. You speak. Not when the program is about to round up, you start calling and say, partial day, partial. There's nothing like partiality. They call that, not even again. No, once you call, let us use time and do something. Once you call in the right time, you'll be attended to. So maybe go to talk for me, just enter comment box. We'll see what you get for comment box. Okay, this one is coming from Ostano Chimex Ostano. Said, I greet you, one. Okay, you're welcome to the program. And this one is from Lucky. Lucky said, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, brother. I'm okay. I hope you too. You are okay. I hope you're doing fine. Thank you for asking of me. Thank you very much. So welcome to the program. Let us discuss on today's topic, okay? So please keep on announcing to your friends that on 1st of May, which is Wednesday, May 1st is Wednesday, so we'll be having a guest in the house. Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odige will be our guest speaker on that very day. So if you have any question, you have anything that is confusing you, whether in marriage, in relationship, in your love life, in anything at all, in your studies, anything at all, just put down your questions, put down your contributions. That very day we'll be hosting him. He'll be enlightening us in so many areas. You understand? Then after teaching us, then we'll give a room for you to ask questions for what you don't really know, for what you don't really understand. Then he will be there to explain it for you. So we have the first caller in the building. So let's approve the first caller. And okay, we are bringing the caller to the screen. Okay, hello.
I greet you.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program.
I greet you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. His name is Saint Chuku. According to what he writes in his profile, we just saw the name Saint Chuku JP. So you're welcome to the program.
You're welcome.
Okay, so what do you have to say about today's topic? I know we'll be following up.
About the respect, I can say respect is a feeling of a deep admiration for someone. Maybe you are admiring someone, or it's something that is highlighted by their abilities, their qualities, or achievement, regards, popularity. You understand?
Okay.
So
yes,
that is for my own definition about respect, your regard, the popularity. You understand? Maybe for example, now what you have achieved. So someone can give you that respect. Someone can give you respect for the way you do things, the way you handle your things your own way.
Okay.
You understand? So we can give you that respect. So you are talking about they are not respecting us. They are not
Yes,
respecting
the
us,
way we do,
especially black in this
yeah,
Europe.
yeah,
I
in
can
this
see
Europe,
the
the way
reasons
they
that
look at us.
yeah they look down at us. Let me use that that English. The reasons that
Okay,
we are the cause of this problem. I can tell
okay,
you we are the cause of this problem.
okay,
You see,
okay,
I can say the problem of ourselves. For example, let me start from our boys. You see, our
okay,
boys here in Europe, they are not respecting themselves.
okay.
I must tell you, they are not respecting themselves. You understand? So they are
Mm-hmm.
not respecting themselves. You will see a mature guy fighting the streets of Europe, even in the club. You understand?
Yeah,
Even in the club and so on. So what is causing the? I'm finding out what is causing this problem. What is causing this fight? Maybe you find out that it's just a little something. Maybe for example, now if you have some issue with a fellow guy, an issue whereby you just iron this issue before you know they start fighting on the street, fighting the club. And secondly, sometimes what causes fights? Woman issue. You
yes,
understand? They made this say they say when you are a Rome, you behave like a Roman. Our people here, especially
yeah,
our boys here, they are not emulating from the whites. At least
yes,
you are in a white man land. At least follow the rules and regulation. Because in any
yes,
community, in any place, there must be a rules and regulation. You understand?
yeah,
You must follow the step. Anywhere you go, any community you are, there must be rules and
yeah,
regulation. At least abide to their rules and regulation. Our people here, they are not following that rules. At the end of the day,
yeah,
they will be blaming the white. They'll say the white are racist, they are not this and this and this. Are you following the rules? Are you respecting yourself?
yeah,
You understand?
yes,
You came to this land for a
yeah,
purpose. At least should have respect yourself. You see a mature guy roaming around the street, causing problem. It's not good. I can tell you, you are the cause of this problem. You are not
yeah,
emulating from the white. You are not copying what the white and the what are doing. You know, this country, they say this country is mafia. I was asking a friend of mine last week. I said, okay, they said this country is a mafia country. But I've not seen those guys
yeah,
that are mafia. Though they are mafia, but they don't show it out. They respect themselves.
yes,
You
yes. You
understand?
have a point there.
I always ponder on this thing. They say this country, this Italy is a mafia country. But at least since I came to this Italy, I've been to more than six region. You understand? I've been to more than six region in this Italy. You understand? I've not set my
Yeah,
eyes on those guys that say they are mafias. It's not that they are not mafia,
yeah,
but they respect themselves. They don't show themselves. You see our people here, they okay, fine. You came to this country. You said that Curtis Matter that brought you to this country. The same Curtis, you are still practicing the same Curtis in this country. It's not fair. Going to a club, causing one or two things, causing fights, breaking bottles. And most
yeah,
time, what is causing this problem? Because of woman. Woman, what is woman? What is woman?
yeah,
So I can tell you, we are the cause of this problem, not the whites. The
yeah,
whites, they are free. If we can respect ourselves and behave ourselves in this country, I don't think nobody will point finger at us that see what we are doing. You understand?
yeah,
Not only in
yes,
Italy, other country. You understand? Our people here, they are the
yeah,
cause of this problem. So secondly, our guests. You see our guests
yes,
in this Europe, eh? They have
yeah,
they have messed up everywhere. They have messed up
hmm,
everywhere. For example, now we know,
yeah,
okay, we all know what they are doing. I don't want to make sure you
yeah,
understand. We all know what they are doing. Fine.
yeah,
I asked a friend of mine. I said, okay, this thing our guests are doing here, is it only Nigeria guests that are doing this thing? Somebody told me that it's not only Nigeria. You see all those French people, they are still doing it. You understand?
yes, but
But
yeah,
and I found out that only Nigeria guests will use it to rob mats. Take this thing as occupation. They use this. They use this. They use this. Let me just put it so that some people are in Nigeria now. They don't understand what I'm saying now. They use this precision work
yeah,
they use it as a
a
work.
profession,
They use this as a
as a
profession.
profession,
You understand? What you do, you do it and hide it because of maybe one or two conditions. That is the reason why you indulge yourself by doing it. But you must not use it to rob your mat. You understand? If you
Yeah.
even in Italy, yeah, not only Nigeria people are doing this thing. Brazil people, they are doing it. Moroccanos, they are doing it. Morocco, they are doing it. Nigerians, they are doing it. The French people, they are doing it. But why is it only we Nigeria? Why is it only we Nigeria? We cannot hear. We cannot even, as in anywhere you go, you see Nigeria girls disturbing everywhere, polluting the environment. It's not good. At least we should respect ourselves. Other countries, they are still doing it, but at least we Nigeria, we should respect ourselves. We know where we came from. Nigeria is a great country. We shouldn't be fooling ourselves in another man's land, because the way we are doing this country, that is the reason why the way we are acting in this country, that is the reason why the white people, they don't give us that respect. Nigeria is a great country. In terms of millions, everything, we are a great country. We are not illiterate. You understand? So that is the reason. You are the cause of the problem. Not the white cannot just point finger at you. If you respect yourself, they will respect you. But I can tell you, bro, we are the cause of the problem. Our boys and our girls. You understand? I don't want to measure state in Nigeria. I don't want to measure region. I don't want to offend anybody. But we all know the people that are causing nuisance in this Europe. I don't want to point fingers at anybody. You understand? We all know the people that is causing problem in this country. But I'm talking on here now. You understand?
Yeah.
If you are causing problem in this country, if you are the one causing nuisance, just you respect yourself. You understand? Try and respect yourself. I don't want to point fingers at anybody. You understand?
Okay.
So, bro,
Okay.
that's my own contribution. I
Okay.
agree to you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I just hope you're gonna stay behind and also hear from what other people will also say as well. So thank you so much for that contribution. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.
One.
Okay, that one come from Saint Chuku JP. You guys have heard what Saint Chuku JP just said. Like seriously, he just make a very nice point, because there's something he said that I really want to pick something from. You know, we are air and we have to be real and lie and realistic. Okay, he said that he asked a friend of his few days back and said, this thing that our girls, as in bracket, our Nigerian girls are doing here in Europe, does it mean that it's only our Nigerian girls that are doing this? Then the answer he got is that it's not only Nigerian girls. Other countries, Brazil, France, Senegal, Somalia, other countries, even the white people who are in their country, they're also doing it. But the problem here is, the point I brought out here is that we Nigerians, we like to show ourselves so much. I know so many Gabons, people that came from Gabon, people that came from other countries that are even doing the same road work you guys are doing, but they do their own uncoded. You will never see them fighting in where they are hustling. The most annoying part of it is that you will see those are Nigerian girls, they will be in that same position, they are doing that thing. They'll be fighting each other as if they carry that position from their own country for their mama compound, carry and come Europe. Man leave English for this one. Man use broken as in man leave break and down, because this program today now for Nigerians. Now we Nigerians we talk to ourselves today. We leave about other people. Now we talk to our Nigerians with this topic respect. We try respect ourselves, because this kind of thing where they happen, as in, what will you benefit you guys that you are in your working place? The land no be you get am. The work where they do no be government work, no be proper work. Now because of condition of one or two things, now put you for that position to be doing that kind of a thing. Then why are you people fighting over position? Why are you people clean yourself, as in chasing yourself up and down in that same work you guys are doing? That is, some people will take it, even if you get work for them and said, okay, I have a job for you, can you work? They will say no. How much will they pay me? Some of them even prefer to be doing that prostitution more than going to look for job. And they have used that now to rob some other girls that are doing a genuine work, because now here in Europe, now even in Nigeria, any girl that come back to Nigeria now, they'll be looking at that girl as if she's in Europe doing prostitution, not knowing that she's in Europe doing a genuine work. You see that when I'm talking about that respect. But had it been these our Nigerian girls now doing all these things now, even our boys, the same thing. Because you see some boys now, they are the one causing those girls, forcing them to the street to do all those things. What's the gain of all this thing they are doing? Nothing. They cannot even respect themselves. There's something that someone will push you to, okay, do this. You say no, I have my own dignity, I have my own respect. I can't do such a thing. Even if at all nobody push you into it and you want to do it, you can use your brain, use your sense, use your brain. Do it in a coded way. Does it mean that other countries are not doing it? No. Other countries are doing it, but they use it in a coded way. They don't take it as if it's a government work or they do the work pass. They use their brain, they do it in coded. But our Nigerians go see. Make I receive another call, beg. Like seriously, we need to deal on this topic, respect. Okay, you called back.
I come again. You see,
Okay.
one thing since I came to this Europe,
Yeah.
I found out that our guests here, they are not respecting us. You understand? They are not respecting us. If you
Okay, but can I ask you?
observe. Sorry to cut your word. Observe. If you find any girl that is not doing prostitution, you will now find out that girl have good manners. I don't know why. I don't know the reason why any girl that indulge herself doing those type of work, they are not respecting we, and they are the one that are supposed to be respected because of what they are doing. You are the one that the work you are doing is not good, but you cannot show respect. You cannot show respect for your fellow fellow guy. I don't know. Why is it that they don't have that respect?
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, you can go on.
Okay. Does it mean it's only girls that are doing this work? Do boys also do this job? You are talking about this prostitution, because as they have prostitution in girls, I believe they also have prostitution in men. Those that don't even work, they are looking for who to sleep with and earn money from that.
As in, whether boys are they still doing prostitution?
Yes, because I believe that boys are also into that as well, because there are a lot of boys as well that they don't work, but all they do is just to walk around to look for girls to women to sleep with.
You see, I can tell you in this Europe, from my own experience, what I've seen, because I'm somebody that I cannot say something that I've not seen. You understand?
Yes.
I cannot say something that I've not seen.
Yeah.
So in this Europe, so many, I can tell you, 50% of many boys in this Europe, they don't want to work. You understand?
Okay.
They don't want to work. They depend on woman. They depend on woman. They don't want to work. You understand? They don't want to work.
Yeah.
How can you be praising a girl that is doing prostitution, uploading her picture? A girl that is doing prostitution because of the little money she's giving you. It's a curse. Hey, my baby, my boo, my daddy, my honey, my this, my that, my this. Uploading her picture because of what she's giving you. That's a curse. You say you are a man. You don't know the reason why you came to this Europe. Put your eyes in woman money, and the woman money is not a genuine money. You understand? It's not that I'm tarnishing, or it's not that I'm against the work they are doing, no. But what I'm against is that you know that the work you are doing is not clear. You are not respecting yourself. You are not showing good example in the society. You are the one that is causing fights. You are the one that is causing problem in the society and in the community. You are not respecting yourself. You cannot emulate the whites. You cannot copy good things. It's not good. At least we should respect ourselves in this Europe. We should pay attention. We should listen to those people, the people that owns this country, We should copy from them. You cannot see a white girl now. Parabolating in the streets. Today they see you in Torino. Tomorrow they will see you in Bari. Next tomorrow they will see you in Milan. Wetin?
Now money they find now.
Wetin dey happen? Now I speak Igbo. Wetin dey happen? You understand? It's not good. This thing always gets me pissed off. You understand? This thing you always get me pissed off. Me myself, I'm even ashamed that I came from Nigeria. If somebody tell me, innocent, where did you come from? Sometimes I don't tell them where I came from because it gets me pissed off. Our people here, they are
Yeah.
not respecting themselves.
Once you mention you are from Nigeria, the conversation, everything that person having, that interest that person having, you even just that because of what? Because of how we are killing our country, we are just disgracing our country. Everybody is trying to get respect, but you are not giving the country you come from, you are not giving that country respect, because I believe that here in Europe, we Nigerians are cooperating, giving ourselves the encouragement we need, showing each other's way. I think the level we are here in this Europe now, the level Nigerians are here in Europe now, we could have been more than this level, because one, envy and hatred is causing all these things. Can you imagine a Nigerian person will not like you to pass the same way he passed? That's the reason why we are talking about this. That's why I said that this topic we are dealing today, it have a very long branches. It have a very big way to go.
I can tell you what our people are doing in this Europe. It's not good. You understand? We should show good example.
Yes.
We should copy from the whites. We should emulate their character. We should copy from them. I don't want to, like I said just now, I don't want to mention name. I don't want to mention states. We know, me and you know the people that are causing nuisance in this Europe. I don't just want to mention it so that because I'm here now, I don't want people to be saying, this boy. You understand?
Yeah.
What they are doing here is not good. Even our boys, fine. You came to this Europe for your own reason.
No wetin carry you comot for house.
You came
UK.
Boys, you tell the government, you told the government that what brought you to this country because of crisis, and you are the one that is still causing the crisis.
In the country you are looking for security.
You are looking for security. You are looking for security, and you are the one that is causing nuisance.
Causing the violence again.
Causing violence. You say violence is the reason why you left your country and came to this Europe. You are the one that is still causing that violence. It's not good. It's not good. You are not showing good example in this country at all. Imagine a guy that back in Nigeria, a guy that cannot talk to. In fact, he cannot even open her mouth to even talk to yourself. You understand? But because she had the opportunity to come to this Europe, she cannot even show that sign of respect for you. You understand? She cannot even show that sign of respect for you. You'll be talking to a girl. She'll be misbehaving. No sign of respect. You understand? I don't know.
Yes.
I can tell you. I went for my own research because I'm somebody that I always go for research. If I don't know anything, I always go for research. I'm that kind of person. You understand? I always go for research. I went for my own research. I found out that 80% of our guests that are in Europe here, 80% are illiterate. Bro, I believe that illiteracy, because you cannot. Yes, now 80% of our guests in Europe here, they are illiterate. 90% of our guests here are illiterate. 90% of our guests are illiterate. You understand? I don't know. In fact, bro, this thing, you always get me pissed off. That's why if you see me, I don't mingle myself with our guests here. I don't mingle myself with our guests here. If I want to talk to guests here, I always mingle myself with the white guests and those French guests and those Ghanaian guests. Our Nigerian guests here, no. Say maybe I want to date a girl, or maybe I want to. No. Our Nigerian guests here, no. I don't mingle myself with them because they will take you backwards. They will put you in trouble. Let me use that word. Our guests say they will put you in trouble. Honestly, they will put you in trouble, bro. They have caused so many havoc in this Europe. They have caused so many havoc. Many things that is going on in this Europe. They are the cause of this problem. Our guests here, they are the cause of this problem. I can tell you they are the cause of this problem. Huh?
No, seriously, it is getting out of hand. That's why when this topic comes into my phone, when they send this topic to me, I was like, yes, this is a very nice something we have to discuss. But I'm not the people are watching the people that are watching this is not encouraging because this kind of thing that people need to hear. They need to hear and as in have some respect for their own self. Let them respect their self first of all. They will see this is why they will begin to respect us. We
Okay.
know more. We know a lot of things more than this white men we are seeing.
Okay,
We know a
tomorrow
lot
now.
of things more than them.
Okay, tomorrow now they will say boys are not good, boys are not good, this are not good, that. You are the cause of the problem. You are the cause of the problem because no man will choose bad for good. You understand? No
Yeah.
man will choose bad. You see many guys in this Europe they are going to Nigeria to go and marry. If you are a lady, you keep
Yeah.
yourself well, you respect yourself well. Even though you
You see,
indulge,
person will marry you now.
even though you indulge, see, I told one guy, I said, you see this thing you are doing. I know that it's not your will for you to do that thing. You are doing it because of one or two purpose, because of the condition, or one or two purpose.
Yeah.
But if you can stop this thing and focus,
Look, look for work.
most of our guests, can I shock you, bro? Most of our guests here, they don't want to
Okay.
even go to school. Honorary course for work. If you go school, you go for that course. If you go school, you go for that. Money is not everything. Stop putting our guests
Sure.
always put money at front. Stop putting money at front. And I'm talking on here now. I'm talking now for everybody to hear. I know many guests are in this life now. Listen to me now. Some will pick from it. Some will say, "What is this guy talking about?" But I know that I'm saying the right thing. You understand? Go for that
Yes.
course. Go for that course. Definitely, if you come out, you must surely have that job. You must surely have that job. Life is not a bed of roses. Suffering is the part of the process. You understand?
If the person needs suffer, how will he gain? How will he get the what she or he is looking for? You must pay some price before you get what you're looking for. That's just. But most of our girls, most of our boys here, none of them they don't want to put in any effort to get what they want. What will it take you? What will it cost you to do a course of six months that will earn you a lifeline for the rest of your life? At least they said what you know how to do, what you learn how to do can never go off your brain. Even though that's why my people met parable and said an old woman doesn't get tired of music that you know how to dance very well. Because the reason why I speak it in English for you to understand what I'm trying to say, because if I speak it in my own language, you might not understand. So let me repeat again. They said old woman can never get tired of the kind of music she know how to dance very well. Even if she's old, once you play that music, she will still definitely going to dance on it. That's just it. Okay.
Someone just
So please, my
someone is
okay,
writing now. He said, someone is
okay.
writing.
Let
He
me go
said,
to the
but
comment.
he said,
Okay,
he said, but you know that no work for Italy.
okay, but
I can tell
bros,
you.
let me okay.
No, let me let me let
Let
me
me go
deal,
to
let me deal on that issue. Let me deal on that issue.
okay,
Say there's no work.
okay,
There's no work in Italy. We all know.
okay.
It's not that there's no work in Italy. Oh. One thing I was having life.
There is
Life,
work.
life is all about connection. When you have that influence, you get yourself a job. You understand? I know that
Yeah.
there's no work in Italy. Though they are working in Italy, but it's not that much. But if you as a lady you follow that process, you get that job. Would you stop
Yeah.
deceiving ourselves by using that word? There's no work in Italy.
No joke.
You understand? There's
There is
job.
work.
If you follow that
Okay,
process,
let me, bro.
you get
Let me
yourself
still give
a job.
let me give an answer for this thing you just said now. You said there's no job. Okay, let's say, okay, now you are at this road work now. Do you think that all the white men, okay, let's just say our guests are doing road work, fine. Don't they know that all these white men they are doing this road work with, some of them have very big companies. Some of them have connections to other different sectors. For instance, now you went to school of cleaning now, because you and I know that there's the school of cleaning and there's a school of washing plates. You go for those and offer those courses ahead 3 months, 6 months, and you come out with the certificate. okay, you went to that work as normal work, you normally go to road work and to do that work. Then you meet some of them, you talk to them and say, I'm doing this, it's not my mind, it's not my habit to do this kind of work, but I don't have any other choice. I don't have money to pay my rent. That's why I'm doing this. But can you please help me to get something doing? I have social certificate. I have social certificate. I'm good in this area. I'm good in this area. Definitely, one day, if you have this in mind, I know that one day God will definitely send a helper to you. Someone that could just call you, just say, okay, I don't even want to sleep with you. I don't want to even have sex with you. I just want to help you. Do you have this? Do you have this? From there, your connection will just start. But you continue deceiving yourself, there's no work.
Bro,
You never get it.
Bro, can I shock you? You see this Europe. You see this Europe. I told a friend of mine. I told her, I said, you see this camp issue, camp.
Yes.
This camp are made for girls, not boys. This camp
Yeah.
are made for girls, not boys. The reason is that you are a young girl now. You are a young girl. Definitely the money you are looking for. Tomorrow you will get married. And you will plan with your husband, isn't it? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Why are you disturbing yourself?
You want to be four flat. You want to
At the
be
end of the day,
6 flat.
you will still get married and be under your husband. Why are you disturbing yourself?
Okay, those houses you build now for
you understand? Why are you disturbing yourself? If you are a young girl now, you are staying in the camp. You are a young girl now, you are staying in the camp. You follow the process. You are not doing this prostitute of a thing. I don't want to say road work. Let me just put it plain. Prostitute. You are a young girl, you are in the camp. You are not doing prostitute. You are still in the camp. You are following the process. The rules and the regulation they gave you in the camp. At the end of the show, they gave you this. They give you this document. You understand? They give you this document. You
definitely they will help you and find work.
You will see a responsible and a good man that will ask your hand in marriage. You will see a responsible and a good and a hardworking man that will ask, because no man want to go for what is bad. Forget all this thing. We men will know what is good. For example, now I might have 5 girlfriends now. I might have like 5 girlfriends now. I know the good one.
Yeah.
I know the good one.
You know you're the one your heart belongs to.
You can't say you are my girlfriend now. You come for a visit now. You understand? You come for a visit. At the end of the day, those things that you know you're supposed to do, you are not doing it. I will keep quiet and be looking at you. My own is for, okay, let this girl just come. Let me just have sex with her. She go. At the end of the day, I know the good one. I know the one I will propose to. You understand? We should stop deceiving ourselves. Our guests, they should stop deceiving themselves. Tomorrow they come to her, they say, men are not good, this and that and that and that.
All men are the same.
In Nigeria, they want to go and marry. If you can keep yourself, you will see a good man that will ask for your hand in marriage. This thing is it's a simple thing. It's not a magic. It's just simple thing. But many of them, and what causes these problems is their parents. You will see a mother in Nigeria. You will not use a man to even ask her daughter, my daughter,
what are you doing? This money you're sending to me, what are you doing to get all this money?
Not what are you doing? Her mother know that her daughter is doing a prostitution. First of all, you as a mother, have you ever asked your daughter, my daughter, where is your boyfriend?
Have you planned for life?
Are you planning for your life? Where is your boyfriend? Are you planning for your life? What they know is that bring money. You understand? Bring money. I know of a girl. I don't want to mention name. I know of a girl. She told her mother that. Man, I want to get married now. You understand? Her mother was like, now marriage, you speak pidgin English. He said, now marriage will send you me country for Europe. Now marriage, marriage will send you me country for Europe. You see all these things.
Wow.
That's why I said just now that we are the cause of this problem. Our people. We are the cause of this problem.
Okay.
Prostitution is not a work. This thing is spoiling our name in this Europe.
Yeah.
This thing is spoiling our name. Keep yourself.
Okay, now let me quickly go to the comment box and see what we have there.
No matter the money you give, no matter the money you are going to give me. If you are spending money on me, you are just wasting your time. I cannot marry a prostitute. I'm an Igbo man.
Yeah.
I know where I came from. I cannot marry a prostitute.
Yeah.
No matter the money you are giving me, I cannot marry a prostitute. You understand?
Yeah. Okay, now let me go to the comment box.
Okay, no
People have been
problem.
sending comment. Let me read their comment and people will follow up.
I agree with you.
Yeah, you can call back anytime you want. You can still call back. Thank you so much. So let me start from the first comment here. This one said, we are Swiss and not Europeans. Erica, I don't really understand. As in, is Swiss not part of the European country? For me, I think Swiss is part of European country. So please, we are not talking about European. We are talking about the kind of eyes that the Europeans used to see Nigerians in this European part of the country. Is it good? So if you have your own contribution, you can still make it. I'll just read out what you just said now. Okay, let's go move on. This one is coming from Abudu Fatah Jetta. I said, the biggest coward of a man is not awakening the love of... Okay, the biggest coward of a man is not awakening the love of a woman without the intention of loving her. The thing is problem. The thing is problem is people are being hated when they are rare, and are being loved when they are safe. Life is one big road. Money is number, and number never ends. If it takes money to be happy, you search for happiness will never end. That's my own that might be regret. Okay, that one come from Jetta Fatah. Okay, we are still moving on. This one is coming from It's Pretty. It's Pretty says, but you know that no work for Italy. My sister, there's always work in Italy. Depend on how you plan yourself. There, if you can be able to take the pain, they say there's no gain without pain. I said it before that there is work in Italy. Depend on how you plan yourself. What will it cost you to go for a course? 3 months, 6 months, then you have your CV, you have your certificate. You can be able to look for work and you get it. Doing road work, is it the best? You are just selling your future, you're just selling your rights, you're just selling your destiny. How much will you make from that? For you to go to that course for that 6 months and pay the price, take the pain. Once you come out with that certificate, yes, you might still go to that road work, but you tell the person that, please, I'm doing this not just because I love doing it, just that I don't have work, but I have CV, I have certificate on something. Can you please help me to get job to do? I bet you that 99% of those guys are doing those road work. Most of them get work, but they reject doing those work because the cheap money they receive from all those road work, without knowing that they are selling their destiny. Painting our country red and black, white and red. Why? Please make your own contribution. Let's move on with the program. It's Pretty said, please, I need work. Oh. Yes, you need work, but you have to. There's a price for you to pay for it. I know you're watching this program. You have to pay some price. Take some pain and go and learn some courses. Then you will get what you're looking for. He said, it's Pretty said, my brother, mind your business. No, he's just telling you the gospel truth. You know, they said truth is bitter. Okay, had it been is now telling the girl should continue doing road work, the prostitution is good, you'll be clapping for him now that, okay, he's talking about good thing now, that she's encouraging, that he's saying that you guys should continue doing prostitution. No, you have to tell you the truth. Yes, you can call him names, you can say whatever I want to say, but they always say truth is bitter, but let us be sincere to each other. So how long will you continue like this? Remember, even if not for any other thing, think of the future of your unborn children. Think about their life. How are you going to be a good mother to them? What will you tell them? What are the examples you are going to lay for them? No, let's just be sincere. Let's just be sincere. Let's think twice. Let's just think twice. Okay, please. I know that it might hurt, the truth might hurt, but if we can be able to abide and do something about it, it will help. It will help. It will help a lot. Okay, you should say this one is coming from Eric. Eric said we know that Italians are racist. Okay, you see this now happening between Europeans. She's writing from Swiss. He said they know that Italians are racist, but no matter how they are racist, it depends on how we are extranjers, as in people that are staying in their country. It depends on how we, treat ourselves, how we present ourselves to them. Because they said if you respect yourself, an outsider will respect you. But when you don't respect yourself, when you don't put yourself in order, you don't deserve respect. They say one respect deserves another. Okay, please. The line is still open. You can still call, make your contribution, or you can send in your comment that I'm here to read it out. Okay, this one is sent Chuki replying to its praise. He said, I'm telling you the gospel truth. Yes, we all know that you're just saying the truth. You know that truth is bitter. What you don't hustle for, you can never gain, you can never reap. There's one thing that we do sometimes. Let's really think about this now. Let's really think about this issue of a thing. Doing a course, I know that though some laws and some things has been changed in this country now, which means before they give you right to go to school to offer some courses on your own without making any payment. But now they have changed the law now, because when they give the opportunity, no one is using it. They're just wasting the money, paying for nothing. Nobody is taking the advantage. Now they have just changed everything. Now they say that if you want to do all those courses, you have to pay on your own. What they do is that for you to pay and do that, you will know how it pays for you to take that courses, and you'll be able to benefit one thing. So quickly, let me just make this announcement again before I continue with this program. 1st of May, which is on Wednesday, we'll be having a guest speaker. Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege will be our guest speaker that very day. Will be teaching us on very important topic that most of us need to hear. So please invite your friends. Tell them we are having our first guest on this program on 1st of May. And our guest speaker is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odige. He will be the one taking us on that topic that very day. I will make the topic known to you guys that first week of May. Please join us down on Wednesday. Tell your friends about this program and let them come down there. Prepare your questions, prepare your contribution that you are going to learn a new things from this great man of God. I'm promising you that you're not going to regret watching that program that very day. So just join us that 1st of May. You enjoy watching this program, and a lot of more people will be becoming our guests, but he's going to be the first guest we are going to be hosting on this program. So join us, as we're going to be inviting more guests to speak to us, and we are going to learn a lot of things from them. Thank you so much. Let me quickly go back to the comment box and see what is happening at the comment box there. This one is coming from Serena Jan Franco. Said, can you read the second question? Okay, the second question is the eye that people that are in this country, as in the Europeans, the eye that the Europeans are used to see us in, we Nigerians, because today's program is basically meant for us Nigerians. Let's advise each other, this Nigerian of a thing. The eye that they used to see us, do we really deserve it? Is it because some of us have messed our name up that you are even ashamed to tell people that you are from Nigeria? So many people change their identity when they meet some people, because of once they say you are Nigerian, that's the end of the conversation, and that person will not look at you again, will not continue the conversation. So that's how they are looking at us as bad people. Do we really deserve it or not? So please, that's just the number 2 topic. You can make your own contribution towards that, please. And again, why are we Nigerians so hatred to one another? We are not helping each other. We are not helping one another. We are not helping each other to achieve our goals in life. Because you see, mostly we Nigerians, road where you pass, you no go like me your brother wey be say 12 na come from the same country, may pass am, because no one may get money pass you, or no one may get level pass you. Why all this thing? That's the reason why we are talking about this respect of a thing on this today topic. So please, you can call in and make your contribution, or you can send it through text, through the comment box. I'm here to read it out, and people will benefit from your own comment. So the program starts every day from 9 from every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So please send in your own comments and your own view. Let's share ideas together. And don't forget to join us as we'll be hosting our first guest, 1st of May 2019. We'll be hosting our first guest. So let me quickly read out the comment that just come in now. He said, okay, you said, so sorry that white people do all time pain for Africans. Seriously, is heartbreaking. Is hurting. The way the thing are going, you see, they use the same eye to look at everybody. We all are not the same. There are some people that, okay, let's look at what said Chukwu JP, the caller that called a few hours ago or a few minutes ago. He said that you come to this country now, you say that you are running away from cultism from Nigeria, that cultism is chasing you up and down, they want to kill you, they want to do, and you are the same person that are here forming that same cultism here. Have you seen? There's no sense in it. There's no sense. It doesn't make sense. There's no sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. You are running away from something, and you are the one causing that same problem.
Hello.
Okay, we'll have another caller in the building. You're welcome, my sister.
Good
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. The longest time, don't tell.
No, see.
You will say run for the program. Person for show you.
No. Sometimes like this, I just get busy with cartoons. In fact, I always ask
Okay.
my twin sister, have you started your video? Sometimes I don't even remember, so that's just it.
Yeah. Okay, there's no problem. So you're welcome to the program for today.
Then this question about how do white people see we in Nigeria? First of all, is how you carried yourself. That is how you'll be respected. How you
That's what we are
want
talking
yourself.
about today.
Because we Nigerians, we don't even do pass ourselves. You see some kind of boys, some kind of girls, especially girls. The way they will present themselves, if you yourself, you'll be ashamed to call yourself that you're in Nigeria. You'll be ashamed.
So that's it.
You see them, they want fine. You want to dress fine. You want to look gorgeous. You want to look attractive. But that doesn't mean you should dress like a mad person or carry yourself out on social media and be doing nonsense.
Okay.
In fact, some of the girls, they don't even think. They don't reason the things they do before doing it. How can you be okay? For instance, yeah, this person now. The kind of color we want that will be in your head, the kind of color rajot you will put on. Which responsible person one look you say you get sense for what you do so? Which responsible person? Nobody. They act abnormal. They act like as if they are already mad. You know when somebody wants to start in fact when somebody is having mental problems, it's the way we present ourselves. That's the same eye they are using to look at us. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's put this dressing aside. What do you think about all these girls doing lesbians in Italy and they still come on social media to put it on Facebook? Which they want to tell me that they are looking at white people, they copied it from where? You're still happy to call yourself a lesbian. Prostitution, the Oba don't cause, they don't see me they stop her, but they are not willing to stop it. They are
that's the thing.
They are not willing to stop it. Go on. Exactly. Exactly. Because me, I'm even confused. Wala, I'm confused. Oba says stop it, but they don't want to hear words. They don't want to even listen. With that alone, and again, I think this Europe of 18 depends on the country. Depends. Should I say country or should depend on the states? Because Italy now, I would say Italy. That's the first state they degrade Nigeria. They look down on Nigerians. You can't even walk on the street freely. It's not right now. It's not right.
It's because of what we have been doing here. You
It's
see
what
somebody will go to club and start fighting.
If you respect yourself, white man will surely respect you. If you are this type of boy, this type of girl, in the morning like this, they see you with your school bag, you're going to work, you're coming back in the evening, or you're coming back any time of the day, I don't know, depending on the work hours. Do you think they
Yeah.
are not going to respect you? They will respect you. I was talking to my twin sister just now that in Spain, we work with police. Girls, we work with. My twin sister was surprised. I said, yes, we work with police. He said in Italy, there's no Nigeria working with police. I was like, seriously?
You can't try it self. Even boys say talk more of girls.
Because the way we
That's because
respect ourselves. Have you seen? Okay, let's take another instance now. You see people come fighting and they will record it, put it on social media.
Facebook.
Have you ever
Will be
imagined?
Nigeria. They'll be
Have
speaking
you ever imagined this is coming from Spain or it's coming from other? The only
Germany
videos I've
or
watched: Italy, London, Germany, France, Italy,
Germany.
London, Germany,
Yeah.
France. I was like, all this nonsense they are doing now, you cannot come and try it here in Spain. If you don't respect yourself, police will teach you how to respect yourself. So I think it's the
Simple.
way we carried ourselves. That is how they are looking at us or treating us. Because not responsible person, if you are responsible, if you respect yourself, they are surely going to respect you. Me, I'm always proud of my
Yeah.
country. I don't hide it. Anybody ask me, I'm from Nigeria.
If,
Sometimes
even me
if
too,
I'm
I don't hide
from
my country
Nigeria,
because I know what
I
I'm
don't act
capable of.
like a Nigeria person. I go to classes. In fact, let me tell you something. I have should I say classmates? When I told them I'm from Nigeria, they're like, really? You're from Nigeria? I said, yes. They're like, you're so different. I said, that's because everybody has his or her own personal life to carry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you respect yourself, if you present yourself to the world or anybody, present yourself as a good presenter, nobody will look down on you. Nobody.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's the only thing I have. I think it's the way we carried ourselves. That's the way they are, or that's the same height they are using to look at us. So
Okay. So thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. So much
no
appreciate, and I
problem.
believe the house also appreciates your contribution.
No
So
problem.
just sit behind and also watch other people with their own
I'm
contribution.
watching.
Okay.
The thing really got me. You're
Okay.
like, wow, this is nice, interesting.
Abi, okay now. Okay, you guys have heard what our sister she just said. He said that it depends how you present yourself. And she make an instance and said, for instance, you're the kind of person that wake up in the morning, you take your bag and go to work. They see you going out for work and they see you coming out for work. They will respect you. They will give you. See, there's one thing you have to know. We black, let's just say we blacks, we Nigerians, most especially we Nigerians, we have more say, we have more sense. Let's just say we are more intelligent more than them. If you can be able to reason some things, you see that they don't do something without going to. If they want to go somewhere now, they must go to Google. They must go to search internet search. Okay, just imagine now. For instance, they just woke up one day and said, internet is not going, it's not going to work here in Europe. How do you think they are going to survive? They cannot survive. But we Nigerians now, our number 6, is our internet. For Nigeria, how many people will get time for internet? But you want to go where you want to go, you go there safely and come back safely without even stress. But here now, they cannot do without map. They cannot do without internet. Everything they want to do is internet. Just imagine a world without internet in Europe. How would they live? All like just like the other day, let me just make this example. Just like it looks somehow funny, but just try and pick something there. We were in class one day studying, and our teacher just went out. So one of our classmates, he's an Italian. He just went and off the lights inside the class. He thought that we in Nigeria were going to be afraid of because everywhere is dark. We will start shouting. We started laughing. We started laughing at him. Then I said, okay, why are you guys laughing? I just off the lights, expecting you guys to be telling me, please, on the light. We said, why should we beg you for the light? We have stayed in our country for like 4 months, 2 months, 1 week. Who knows? I'm even still like, we not go see light. She bang, we not go see. Go see even enter, use matches. We were light and they even they find out they go. Sometimes I say go use touch. Sometimes I not go even use touch. You go walk up from like a very long distance, without touch, nothing, no light. You go see where you put your leg. Talk more say you come here. Now just off your off light, no say the nepa take am. He was even confused. He was saying, what kind of woman being are this? Because they know that we know better things than them. But the problem is the way we presented ourselves to them for the very first time. Okay, how can you imagine someone that is 37 years old, you come to Italy, or you come to any other European country and said he's 15 years old. You will see someone that is 10 years old, or is 20 years old, that you know that is senior with almost 20 years. Because you change your age, you brought your age down to 15 years. Then someone you know is senior with 20 years will not be ruling you, will not be telling you. Because one, you have already downgraded yourself by bringing your age down. So whatever I did to you, you take it. But please, the reason why I'm saying is that because it's affecting everybody now, because not everybody is doing that now. But now they have used it to rob everybody now, because my people used to make parable and say that if one finger like this now touch oil, like this now, use and touch oil now, the other finger now, the oil must touch all of them. You understand? So what do you expect? What do you expect when you are 37 years old and they ask you in commission, or they ask you, how old are you? You say you are 20 years or you are 18, for you to just be underage. Look at 37, look at 18 years. And someone that is here, they're born here, that is 20 years, because they started school on time, finish on time, just 20 years or 22 years, will now be ruling you that is 37 years. He can even slap, he can even carry cane and flog you like small children because of what you just said. You are 18 years. Then he has to treat you like an 18 years someone, or 16 years or 15 years. So why are we doing all this into ourselves? The earlier the better we start correcting all these mistakes. Please, fighting in the street, recording all this lesbian of a thing is cleaning our image. Let it not be as if I'm saying it all. Let someone else, you can still call in, you can still make your own contribution. I know you guys are watching, and I know you guys have greater things to tell, to say to us, that I can even learn from you, and I can also learn from what I've been saying since. So please, the program is meant for everybody, not just only me alone. So let me read out what you have at the comment box before we continue. This one coming from okay, I've read this one before. Excuse me. I've read this one. This one is coming from Gianfranco. He just laughed out laugh. Okay. Gianfranco, he said exactly okay. She's still laughing. So please, let's just unite ourselves once again. Okay, maybe people that are here in this country before us that have made that mistake. Fine. They have made that mistake by doing all those things. Then for us now that are still here now, what are we that are youth now? What effort do we have to make now to make sure that we correct this mistake? By presenting ourselves, let us start respecting ourselves first of all. Because if you start respecting yourself, definitely those people, they will say, this guy, this man, this girl, this boy is not like this. So you start respecting you as well. You understand? But whenever you go to any gathering at all, you try to show yourself, you do this one, you cause casino, as in, what are you showing? What are the example you're showing to them? You are telling them that, in fact, you are an animal. That's just the simple truth. Okay, this one is coming from Essay. Good evening. Okay, Essay, you're welcome. You always join us in this program. I know you're going to call very soon and know how we are doing. Okay, how are you doing? I'm doing good, my brother. You're welcome to the program. So, back to what I'm saying. Please, let's respect. That's why we are dealing on this respect of a thing. Let's respect one another. Let's respect each other. I believe if we do it this way, this country, they will see that not. Okay, have you ever asked yourself that question? That you see, it's very okay. Ask them. Okay, so Rajesh, you say I should ask them. No, let's be sincere to each other. Have you ever imagine? You hardly see a Nigerian man. Let's just do typical example now. You hardly see a Nigerian boy friending a white girl in this country. In this, as in most especially this Italy of a thing, most especially Italy, you hardly see a Nigerian guy friending a white girl that is an indigenous of Italy. You hardly see that. You know why? Because they have terminated it. But you imagine yourself. You will see yourself. You're a clean guy. Eh? You will see a white girl hanging out with a Senegal that doesn't even bath, doesn't even brush his teeth, doesn't even dress well. They'll be hanging out with all these white girls. Have you ever asked yourself, why is this so? No, let's be sincere. Have you ever asked yourself, why is this so? Because that's how if you present yourself, not only us in Nigeria, not only in this Europe, it's happening all over, but in Nigeria, in all over, it's happening all over the world. This word respect, people misuse it so muchly. so much. They misuse this word so much. Yeah, you don't even get respect for me. You don't respect somebody. Have you respected yourself before? If you respect yourself, because I believe if you respect yourself and talk to someone politely, as in a good manner, that person will look at how you talk to him and say, this guy, he come from a very nice home and he have respect. He will talk to you in a good way as well. But when you talk to someone arrogantly and behave arrogantly, what do you expect? You receive it back. You definitely receive it back. That's just the point. Let's just know how we do things. The way things are going on, most especially we Nigerians here in Europe, the way they are looking at us because of the way we are behaving. You will just see now, nothing will just cause fight now. You see two Nigerians will start fighting. What are they fighting over? Maybe, most especially girls, maybe they go where they do their prostitution, they are joint where they do their prostitution. They will start fighting. Why they stand for my stand? Stand na your stand. As in stand, move your reason and they stand na your stand. Now your mama get the stand. Now your papa carry and come, and you cannot even respect yourself in that area. My brother, make we bring another person to camera and talk to us. I beg. It's the verse. Serious. It's not good. Not just respect ourselves. Let's respect each other. The idea looking at us is very, very bad. You enter bus because you're Nigerian, the person just shift. Well, good evening, my brother. You're welcome to the program. Hello. Hello. If you like your network, they give small problem. What's going to happen to your network? Okay. Oh, your network is shaky, it's breaking. What's happening to your network? Oh.
You hear me now?
They hear you.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Today's topic, I didn't have.
Huh? Hello?
Today's topic.
Okay. You know today's topic, right?
Yeah, I only get some more contribution for that respect issue, that respect.
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Just make your contribution.
Bros, when it comes to respect, bros, respect not be saying when that's like you send more picking message. They go message for you 24 hours. That be respect. Or I they greet you 24 hours greeting. That be respect. No, that be respect, bros. Respect and when you discipline yourself.
Yes.
When you discipline yourself. Because even the Bible says honor is given to those who honor is due.
Yes.
You understand that word?
Yeah.
Now when you discipline yourself, if you get speech of words for mouth, if you person where they control your words for mouth, they go look you as a responsible man, as a person will get respect. Not the way we say, the respect will be say yes, I respect this bros. What to make you the respect the person? What did that person they do to himself? What did they discipline himself?
Yes.
Not the respect. Not because I say I fear you. I know they fear you, but I they respect you.
Yes.
That word, they respect you. Now because until how they control yourself, how you they do yourself, how you they do your things, they more important.
Okay.
Not be say
I
they greet you 24 hours. Greeting a normal greeting, that's not greeting.
Even they said greeting is not love. Yeah.
Yeah. For that respect, it determines on you. You work on yourself.
Okay.
You know how to represent yourself. How to represent yourself for outside.
Okay. Okay.
Don't determine how you give you your respect.
Okay.
But I just say, yeah, bro. My mention what to say. They say mad man or mad woman, not the shame. People with the shame now. If one another the shame.
Yes.
If person be say they talk anyhow. If person be say they talk anyhow. You know go you know yourself. You not go know. But now your guys. Now they go they feel not be you.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. So, what do you have to say about the second topic?
Bros, when I say look us, everybody knows the way they look us. Most Nigeria, most of us today, we dey find the rubber, they find the cheese, hurry. We find the
Okay.
money, sharply, sharply.
Okay.
Bros, yeah, why are they Italy, I swear, why are they Italy? I not the opportunity I get for here, I not get that for Italy. But
Okay.
most of us for Italy, most of them will do Italy, bros.
Yeah.
Their opportunity there, but they don't want to use that opportunity. You know why? Everybody they
Why?
find the money.
Yeah.
And the money. That's I want before my app is made for only girls. Not before only girls, so bro. Cap not meant for anybody. But waiting make us they stay camp, bros. Now because of that paper.
Yes.
And that camp we did so bros, many opportunities they said
Yeah.
that camp. One, ask yourself if they speak that their language, you they speak ask yourself.
Mm.
If they speak that their language, if they go to school, that opportunity
Okay.
for you to go to school to speak
Yeah.
language. For where I did so, bros, for here, this place
To
where I did
learn
so,
work self.
Yes, bros,
Yeah.
work for every work for Europe, continue to say work not day. One, you they speak that
Work there.
language.
Now I tell one girl for you.
Work there, you they speak the language matters a lot. You they put yourself for granted. And I did so, bros. Now since last year, what they come this France, bros, Since last now normal school they
Yeah.
go for here, normal high school. Then they go put for normal high school since last year, and I get 2 years course to go to in 2021 before I finish school for here for the diploma I'll
You see,
get. And inside this place, bros,
you
I'll
see.
get opportunity to work.
Okay.
This my get one my guy with the stay here. My guy dey stay here. So in they go to school, in they work, they pay 700 every month. I'm a student, so
You see, huh?
seven.
Tell
And
me
not
how
betting they
people
feed down, they
live.
join. Not betting they feed themselves. Now government see they feed them, not be they feed themselves.
Okay, see, huh?
Now government see they buy a cream. Now the opportunity we get that one, if they go to school, if they go to work. That opportunity, bros, to study. If you be paid to a
Yeah.
while, 700, you not to take spend 700. That's 700. Get people go there. They go that 700 take buy land, start investment
Uh-huh.
every month.
Every month, 700 euro. You know
So,
how
bros,
much it be for Nigeria money? About, let's just say about almost 200 and something thousand naira every
yes, now
month.
calculator, bros. Every month, calculator for a year, bros.
Almost 200 and
For a
something
year.
thousand every month. Someone they receive.
Okay,
They,
and a 2 years course, that the person they go 2 years course. Not
you
be
know,
1
say,
year, 2 years.
there's
That's
many
that's
opportunities here in
2 years.
Europe, but we are not utilizing it. We are not
Bros, we know they use
utilizing
that. Now
it.
the money they find. Now that money they find. The money they already enter our eye.
That's just the point.
Bros, bros, this place here, you get one girl. What make me ever step down because of one girl? Now girl, bros, girl, you not go street work. You go the camp 2 years now spend for the school 2 years. They give them 10 years document inside this year,
Hmm.
and they see they I always see they go to school. They pay am 700 every month, and you see the school.
You know,
Yeah,
say,
now why I hear that word? That's it. If not to wait for that 2021, I go wait. Make sure say I get with that defend.
no, see.
But
That,
but
that,
most of us for here now the money we dey find, bros. Now the ori. Now the ori things we dey find.
that's it.
Why don't
That's,
really see it?
and at the end of the day, they don't go see the money. That be the problem. They don't go
Bros, they
see
no
the
go see
money.
am.
They don't achieve
They no
anything.
go see am.
You go see person go there for 20 years, 10 years, 15 years, no documents, no money, not be the money you get,
That
not be the documents you
na
get,
life.
not be life. That's what we are doing this program now to correct so many mistakes people are making all this while. But
Now
people are not watching it.
many people say people will get opportunity to go back to camp or go back to school. Maybe they go back to school and to learn something, speak the language. I just I get language barrier, but I dey try to speak the language and I dey go to school. I dey go school 24 hours, Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday, Monday to
I
Friday.
tell you one thing about me. When I start, you know, say about one thing about this life is determination. When I come newly,
Yes, now.
when I come newly, let me just share this little idea of mine with you. When I come newly, we are on air. I know people are also listening. When I come newly, some people that are around me then, also Nigerians, they are around me. They wanted to impart me with this mentality of waiting, who school help. You know that language now, they speak that language very well. Who school help?
And
And I can't join them now. They thought I say who school help. Then I can't reason one day. One day, for middle of the night, everybody sleep. Now I wake up on my own. Just say, ah, I can't reason one day. One day, for middle of the night, everybody sleep. Now I wake up on my own. Just say, ah, I can't reason one day. One day, for middle of the night, everybody sleep. Now I wake up on my own. Just say, ah, See me, see what I do. Okay, I would have another country for mind where I want to go, apart from say, at least say this country where I then if I what I want show for it. I want work for this country now. I know Sabi speak the language. How I want to communicate for this one I want work with.
Okay.
And isn't that thing finished that morning, that night? And then it's a day break. Let me use my hand, go meet our coordinator and say, I beg, I want to start school. Man, shock you now. You know school they won't carry me put. Primary one. Now me be the papa for you know as they do papa primary one for Nigeria that time. Now me senior all of them for class. Now me be the head, as in the top person where top pass now me. Person where age pass now me. Person where as in where even get height pass now me. Me and small children go to play inside class. They call me, then I'll go school, come back. People with me and their house go to say, see this one. You want to turn professor for Italy. You want to turn professor for Europe. I tell you, it's no problem. I go turn. But as I'm talking to you now, no office now. As I'm no office where I want to enter now. Where I no go enter. You know why? Because I can speak the language anyhow I want to talk. I will usually explain myself well. You understand what I talk. But had it been accustomed with that mentality of who school help? Where I am today, I'm not sure say I feel even know what thing become go.
Bro, so school is important in this Europe. School is important. Nothing I go come. Sir,
please, if let's stop complaining there's no work. There is work. Just put yourself.
If I show you my notebook, bros, when my friend that time I remove my notebook, what they carry they go school. They open mouth.
You're small now. You want me say you just start new. But when from primary one now, then now university, then I check them. Let's just start from primary one.
Okay, you did invest now. Me now next year, 2021, I'll finish my diploma. Bros and sir, school they very important. School is very important. For that school be like technical school. Like the technical school I go for Nigeria. They learn work. They study.
Okay, now GTC go for Nigeria.
Now government and technical school now go now for
government technical school. Now even GTC now. Now still go if I can't go in. We'll leave that side. We'll not go that side.
Bros,
come back to what you are saying.
Bros. May we put ourselves for ground. More calm down. More focus.
Please. Okay, now. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Mark, I still go to the comment box because we have a lot of comments here. So you can still call back if you have anything to say. You can still come back.
No problem now.
Okay, now. Thank you so much. Okay, that one come from John Paul, all the way from France. Okay, you guys have heard what he just said now. So please, my brothers and sisters are watching this program, let us respect ourselves and go back to school because this thing will help us a lot. It will help us a lot. Have you imagined that? Okay, you want to settle down in a country, you don't know the country language, you don't know anything, and you are complaining that there's no work. There's work, but have you ever asked yourself, how can I get this job if I'm not speaking the language? How will you be able to communicate to whom you're working with? So please, despite that the government have taken away the right of going to school, but you can still pay the school fees on your own. Take that pain. Go for that school for that 6 months. Their school is just like is an upgraded one. It's not just like the one we are doing in Africa. In under 6 months, you can be going to school and they will be paying you. Yes, please, brothers and sisters, let's just take this opportunity and let us change our own generation. Though people that are here before us, they have made that mistake, but let us change our own generation. Let us also let them know that, okay, we have another caller in the building, but I'll still go to comment. Please, I'll still read the comment that is coming in, but let's do more on code tonight, okay? Just bear with me. I will still do more reading, okay? So please keep on sharing the program. Let people keep on knowing that we are dealing on it. Okay, you're welcome, my brother.
Hello, brother. I greet you. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening to you. You're welcome.
Happy weekend in advance.
Yeah, we wish all the best. So now God get power.
So, bro, I will not quickly talk some more part whether I will fix it the right about. I don't know. So I agree the answer.
No, your own opinion. I must get right.
You know the position where that my brother talk here, sir.
Yeah.
Say everybody no want go school. No, not be everybody no want go school.
Yeah.
You know this country where we just this well.
Yeah.
May I let some people feel. Some people know which they thought they go understand. Once you don't come up for that first asylum, they enter another asylum for another country.
Yeah.
That school, that school where the guy they talk so. Yeah. If they feel give her that appointment for that school, government don't entitled to take off and forever. To even get that appointment, it's not easy for
Yes.
that school. My brother, if I show you paper when I get for Germany here, if I don't show you paper when I get for Germany here for that school, so they never almost 7 months now, and I don't apply. Now, if I still go, they will still tell you say come back.
Hey.
They will tell you post. You understand? So not be say maybe most people don't want ready for the school. You understand? You dey get one reason to take that class. If you take that class, it go make you to be person for the
society.
country.
Yeah.
So not be everybody that they give the school.
But brother, do you know? But you know that some people when they camp, they get the opportunity to go to school. They will leave. They say they have to go make money. Be the important thing. So I believe that area that guy they try to talk to.
No, that one different. That one different. If you dey camp, if you even dey apply for school set for some kind place for if once you don't cross that IT another way, you understand? Once you don't cross on that IT com, if you dey apply for that school, they no go give you. They go dey look into your case whether government ready to take care of you first.
Okay.
You understand? Not be everybody no want go. Even me when even go more. You understand?
Even me, if I never want that for my own, I see they go more and more. So if I see the opportunity, I see they go.
Our people not be saying maybe most of them don't want go, but some people see the find money, but most of them want go. If you get the luck, get the chance, government fee apply that school for you. You know how much for that school? That school not be small money. Government want pay the school. Not be small money that they pay. You understand? So everybody want go, my brother. Not be by say maybe hurry. Not be everybody they hurry. For me not the hurry. They take the way I see them.
That's so me job be. That's so me job be. Ain't there wake up and thank God for that very day. We'll move on with the plan for that day.
It's not good for many people because most people want go. You never ever see book. If you enter my wardrobe, you reach a four step. The book many they are not.
Now so even the day I go enter the place, so then at the park book they come out for motor. They say when I want to go library for the place.
Everybody want try go.
What you get to contribute for the topic you are doing today now? About respect.
About respect. About respect. About respect. It's just like the way me take the year. I use my own. I feel use my own to advise people. You understand? I deal with Guinea. I deal with Somalia. Everybody did their own this different room. You understand? Only me one. I did my own. You understand? If they break, everybody will try kitchen cook. Then everybody will enter a house. If the week where this one they wash reach, you go wash. The day where this one go wash reach, you go wash. You understand? Now the way you put yourself. If I play music reach around 10, I go off on.
Yeah.
So now the law of the house. You understand? But if you try one make another person not sleep, so you yourself not go sleep. So Nigeria, not be only Nigeria get that character. Everybody get them. All the whole Africa get them. So if Guinea worry me, I go use my Nigeria to worry am. So if Somalia worry me, I go still use Nigeria to take worry am. Not the same. You understand? Only waiting because they pay me for one side. We will be saying all of us they see online. They say Nigeria down, Nigeria this, Nigeria down, Nigeria this. Only waiting
what I want to talk about.
Only waiting on what they beg people. Not be everything where they happen. Now you just video the next thing you post on. Because the thing it they affect people. They know. Yes. They go just carry and go say maybe they there see how Nigeria. No, all those people where we they see if you see some kind of people where they speak English, you feel see them in Nigeria. You understand? This thing they affect us. Better not they do and not be all Nigeria. For this thing when I first stay that time. For a train station when I they go they find money that time. If you see people where they there, you feel say they be Nigeria and they not be Nigeria.
Because of how we represent ourselves now.
Yes, but only where you for no say Nigeria whole na truth. Maybe now we something happen for beer parlor. Or because you can no we all na Nigeria. We all na Nigeria. If Nigeria guy dey also, he not deny you.
Okay.
Now only way they enjoyment place. Now you will fuck up, you will fit you fuck up. You understand? But now let that one, now let that part I go fit up. Who say no matter how you if now 10 you get to go enjoy yourself, my brother, and then you go relax. Because if you there also, you know the fee fight for also. You not go feel see person say match you say me you dey find money, person come match you can't use and take waste your day there. Nigeria guy not the Nigeria guy not dey build that level. Like even that time.
But some of our guests, they fight for their hustling ground as well. Why? They disgrace us like that.
That one, no say that girls so not be boys so now, girls so different now. You understand? You way who original original shirt good shoro. You know what you go fight, so you know go feed the fight. So all those girls, so even though they fight tomorrow, they not fight tomorrow. Guy go still come pick them up. So they are all not the cast.
No, in the cast too. In the cast.
No, they are not the cast.
Then they spoil and then they. But you know why they talk this thing? You know why they talk this thing? Because me for our class, let's just say I will be 3 Nigerians with our class. I'll be 4 Nigerians with our class. So that's now white, and then the people who did their content now white, all of them be. You imagine what those white they tell us to be Nigeria. They say on our guests they use they just character error, 5 error. How you want me to take the communication?
Bros, I bet we'll not talk about women again because you understand.
No, we are talking about our Nigerian. Let's not advance ourselves because some of those guys,
we talk about
they make a work.
No, mostly where they cast for us. Now boys, so now they always the ring pass. If you they understand, okay. Before you they see women wey be say man they post a picture for online say man they go do shit for bar all those kind of things. Bro, so you be like say man you never understand wetin the apple for many bar for anywhere. Not be only Italy for the apple because I know both Italy Germany anywhere it the happen with style. You understand? Just that before Germany you go apple they will quick cover them. Before they go even they say alpha and so before they talk they don't come close they don't cover that place first. Before you go even see online they are it not get way for not the apple bros. More not they condemn Italy say Italy not go Italy now the rescue ground so far. Me love Italy. You understand?
Yeah.
So but that woman over there they talk and they cover that woman side. All those women side no more you're talking about ourselves. Now gama women for your platform pass. No more they talk about ourselves. You understand? So it's not good it's not good you as a guy you can't do 1 or 2 things you can't misbehave for street. If you know where you for call, you know say 1 year you know they receive light. You know they see many things. If you receive that for 24 hours, you know go even call Europe. We know people we don't want to call Europe for Nigeria. We know people we go see call Europe for Nigeria. We see get many community where be saying they not even know whether they use phone the way it affected the gist at that time. You understand? So most they advise our guys, most of them they focus, they spoil many things about Nigeria. You understand? So more leave women matter. May they just day. May the day. So we never people ready for if they're ready, they go see her. So if they don't see ready, they go see her. I don't fit judge about woman because I not get woman for us. I don't know about them. Mama, I don't put her like that, bros.
No, you know, the reason why I choose that woman you should join, we say most of the video where they see some Nigerian girls go see they go sleep with they go do their prostitution, they go see a video and they put them online. Because get one of our callers, they said for this Europe now, I can't find out saying most girls and some guys are this Europe. Some of them don't even go primary school. They don't know what team be school. So
bros,
they worry some of them.
Bros, not be primary school. If you say more talk that woman, or I will give you some kind talk. You understand? Not be by school. You understand? We not say yes, education is a king.
Yeah.
You understand? Education is a key to success. You understand? But not be by school, my brother. You understand? Not be everybody where they this role, not be educated. They educated. You understand? But at least most of us will be saying that we're not able to go like that. At least we'll still manage our packaging like that. If they more talk about that, they talk about those girls who my brother not be their fault. They are brave too. They carry many things. Will be saying, you will be guy. They are brave, not they carry.
Okay.
You understand? And as a woman will be saying, about if they spend money for if they take off your mama, take off your papa, and woman will be saying, let's say inside there go still go take off native daughter. How you say she go take where? No, I be no one guy go that side before. You understand? How you say she go take where? You don't see where my brother. No, na platform, na your Facebook live with this. So more you're not the laugh, you're the talk. Real, you understand?
Yeah.
Woman will be say, man, if they take up papa, take up mama, if they build us, if they take up native daughter too, then you just expect say make she wear. You not feel expect say make she wear. You not understand? So I want to cover that place before. No. Now the fact be that one, my brother. You not expect say make she wear because normally before wetin we know any girl wey don do wrongs pass na dem dey like one be good woman for husband house, not be like if you even do am anywhere when I don stay for Nigeria, if woman don too hustle if you see guy wey be say e wan ready to dey with am, her head dey come down once. If she no put one for baba thing, how you dey expect say you dey pay native daughter come dey call you say I wan get wetin I wan do for you, you come say you wan go sell husband. Many things dey distract them comot for I imagine girl wey you leave for house, you go say you wan go buy something, you dey call her for like 7 hours, she no go pick call again. The next thing you go call in the morning. So many things dey worry them. So all those people they need better prayer. For the woman side, they need better prayer. Wey be say man, wey they not they go kidnap all those their fowl, they pour for their shiram, all those guys. You know the health situation. You understand? Maybe they all leave all those ones. If they feel leave all those, if they feel leave juju, God will deliver them for the one way they first do take on. But if as you reach here, waiting you first see swear, you see swear ram again, you see they continue ram again. How you want to good? You not feel good now. If man they talk to you, go be like say man. If man they talk to you, go be like say na your fellow woman and they advise you. So the most girls not they fit take wetin boys they tell them. They not they take on because their head don't go far.
Okay.
How can you imagine your man will call you the money, say bring money, me I take go buy fowl, give Baba. Who be Baba? Who Baba? Why Baba not help? I make I don't want me I thought this thing before, bros. Why Baba not help your brother wey die for Libya? Why Baba not help your brother wey die for Libya? Why Baba not help your sister wey die for Libya? Why Baba not help your brother wey get accident for Nigeria? Why your Baba not dey help many things about you? Na so
to make money not hungry, huh?
Ask me. Okay, now when you get temptation, that Baba want they find you out, or maybe which Baba? Thought that go fire the devil Baba. Who Baba there? So about the women, you don't leave them, my brother. They face many things. You understand? So if you never sleep, we get for this Europe where we say, man, you know go fit sleep. You dey dream Baba dream. There are many things where we say, man, if you be flatter for this Europe, you dey see some guys they run for girls. You get the way you take carry girl for outside there. You know go fit sleep without get daybreak. You dey dream Baba dream because wetin they follow are too many. Not be juju now. Wetin use here cause juju not the worry person. If juju they worry you, it go make you cool down. You suffer they find your way go as back. Not be the one way you call the call after call the juju they worry you. Juju not they worry you like that. Now heart na juju for the attack person. If you want to talk the truth, now heart, now your heart na juju for start. They will solve one for you. Not be the one way you say you call this share. Many things wey be say man. That they put out the process, that it too many. It will not be the one way that they discuss. All those one, everybody will just lead down. All the old boys all the old single guys for Europe, will they all lead down. Just whether they will fit cast their demon. Because God say anywhere you lay down, call on, he go answer you.
Yes. Maybe one day we go announce, we go get general meeting, general fasting and prayer.
If to say maybe you don't get many viewers now, everybody, all the old youth, they will just lead down. Just help them. Pray. Help many. There are many. The one way they husband na 15, the one way not the husband na billions. There are many.
Hey.
So there are many now. How can you imagine you sleep with 2 man for night, you begin to see some kind of things so you never even experience for your life? How you expect to keep that kind of woman? You go even tell her say the money back, move they go church together, or move go Catholic, make they pray for you. You go say no, I don't like church. The next day you dey see am bros, people leave all those women. You should just leave that, just leave them for your platform. If you talk about you too hear many things. So
No, our brother, don't you do well.
Everywhere good. I greet you, bros. I see
I
they watch
like
you.
your comments, seriously. I like your followership. I like your comments.
I greet you, bros.
You finish work.
Okay,
No, we hear from other people now. I'm not still here from other people. No, still talk.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly go back to the comment box. You have seen what our brother Asa all the way from Germany just said now. He just make me to laugh for this one because the year they finish. Okay, let's go back to the comment box. This one come from Gianfranco. He said, exactly, okay. This one coming from Gianfranco. Say, tell them school is very important here in Europe, okay? Gianfranco said, exactly. Now, so one of my girlfriend tell me who school help, but today, now me, enjoying it. Okay, now, but today, now I'm enjoying it. Okay, that one day. This one is coming from David Brown. David Brown said, "My brother, I'm tired. Though, okay, don't be tired. To continue." This one from David Brown. He said, "My hello." Okay, David Brown said, "I'm tired of all this, brother. Okay, don't be tired. Keep on pushing." Okay. This one's coming from John Paul. John Paul said, "Bro, I'm already in school since last year." Okay, that's good for you. No, I'm so happy for that. Okay. This one's coming from Gianfranco. He just said, he just laugh out laugh. Okay, he said, "Ewo." Okay, Gianfranco just said, "Ewo." Then this one's coming from, okay, no one. This one's coming from, oh, don't worry, Uyi. Uyi said, hello, good evening. Hello, evening, welcome to the today program, okay? Welcome to today's program. I'm still waiting for your calls and your, call in, make your own contribution, send in your chat, send in your comments. I'm here to serve you. In case you don't know the topic we are discussing, feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me the question, the topic for today, and I will answer you and I will tell you the gospel truth about the topic we are dealing on today. So feel free, talk to me, send in your comments, and I will make everything known to you. Okay? We are still dealing on these two topics, respect and the eyes where they see us for Europe. Do we really deserve it? We still have, let's just say we still have 1 hour to go because it's almost 11 o'clock. So remember, this program will be ending by 12 midnight. You are free to call in to make your own contribution, or you send in your own view, and we can hear from you from your call and every other thing. So please, the line is open, the comment box is there open as well. So we have like 1 hour to go on this program. So please, if you want to make your own contribution, call in now, make the contribution while everything is still on, because I hate in a situation whereby it will remain 5 minutes to go for me to round up on the program. You start calling, you start complaining, I'm not picking your calls, I'm doing partiality. I'm not doing any partiality. We are doing it as we see it. We are doing an open program where you can have the right to call in and make your own contribution. And I have a very good news for you guys that 1st of May, which is Wednesday, 1st of May, we are going to have a guest. Okay, we have a caller in the building. Okay, let's hear what that caller have to tell us today, because the topic we are dealing on today is very, very strong. Okay, you're welcome to the program, my brother.
Good evening, my brother.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program.
I greet the house. Good evening, everyone.
Okay, the house also greets you. You're welcome.
All right. Yes. May I know the topic of today?
Okay, today's topic, we are dealing on two topics. As you already know, we do on two topics every day now. So the first topic is, people always say respect. No, the respect, no respect. What is the meaning of that word, respect? That is the first topic. Then the second topic is the eye where they take the look us for this country, most especially us, we Nigerians. The eye where these Oyibo people take the look us. Do we really deserve that kind of eye? Do we really deserve that kind of treatment from them?
Well,
that's the second topic.
I just want to say that let my contribution or my opinion should not offend anyone, be from Nigeria or from
Okay.
any
No,
black.
No, you have to say your mind. Because today we are dealing on ourselves. Let's treat ourselves first.
Talking
Before
about
we treat others, before we treat another country.
talking about respect. If you are not someone that always respect people, you don't deserve respect for anybody, both young and old.
Okay.
There's
Bagam,
saying,
enter.
if you want the name you call yourself, that is the name you give yourself, that name people will call you. If you are someone that you do respect people, you treat people very well, you treat people with respect, definitely you deserve that respect. People will look you as someone who is responsible. And where they get that impression of someone who look responsible, someone who's responsible, someone who is very respectful, they must give you that respect without being told. You don't have to fight for respect. It's what you give out, you will take. Where you respect, you will get it back. But where you do not respect, you do not expect someone to respect you. That is one thing about respect.
Okay.
Talking about the way white people look at us, that we really deserve it. My brother, we deserve it.
How?
Good. You know,
how?
For example, I said before, I should not let my contribution not offend anybody. For example,
no, people they will not be offended. You see, that's your own point of
in
view.
Nigeria,
Other people will still call in and make their own point.
We in Nigeria, wherever we go, it's just like empty gallon. Just they make noise, they follow us. Ghana, South Africa, Malaysia, India, Europe, Italy, Germany, anywhere, Nigeria. No, okay, we know they do anything. They just shout our name. See, let me tell you, the way we behave here, the way we behave in Europe, especially Italy, no other country that behave the way we behave. Okay. Understand? So Nigerians, we know they like to respect ourselves. The way we take the behave. Imagine you go short guard. Now beg you the beg go. If person not give you money, you tell her for Akulu. Like say you put money for your pocket. No, it doesn't make sense now. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. So they said that. So they said that if you are Gambia, they work out for street. Definitely they know Gambia because their hair is quite different from us. They know say Nigeria, even though Nigeria carry dreads, it's different for Gambia because their hair, get the be. No be waiting they do. Their hair. Now, as you know, Gambia hair they be now. If Nigeria Gambia they waka, if Gambia speak to Yibo, make it wait. To Yibo go wait. But if Nigeria speak to Yibo, the way go take run. Yes, now. He go run.
Yeah.
Because of societies where would they do. You understand? For example, water train. Gambia, all those fresh people, they fear muta. Yeah. Now Nigeria, as you say, they don't fear muta. Nigeria guy go tell you say no be muta, me come. No be muta. So Nigeria people go enter inside trade, they go tell controller say, damn me muta. Damn me. Yes, now.
They wouldn't pay for the muta.
He go say no be muta, make a giver. Why fresh people like Gambia, Senegal go dey run? If you no get money, you go dey run. No one make they give a muta. Because of this, what we they do for here. I know they talk about that this what we they do. Fereze prison here, if you go there in Nigeria, na many pass. If na lie, ask person where you go there, go tell you. Nigerians, na many pass. No be Nigeria where they give house arrest. No be how they talk. Because of this, what we they do. We no go lie, stay for cap. If they give us negative, we go raw, go Jeremy. Like say, Jeremy, now so that they give documents. If we don't go Jeremy, we don't say we don't spend 2 or 3 years for that side, they don't give us document, we will not come back again. Yes, now. Understand?
Oh God.
Our book, our file, if you look at my brother, you go wrong. You go come for Italy. Because of things where we do, we get record now. Every country get record. Get record for you. Where they go, they respect us. If they see Nigeria, they not saying this one in Nigeria. That is the reason why they know they respect us.
It's affecting everybody now.
Yes.
It's affecting. That's what we're talking about respect.
For example,
that's why I bring that. That's why they bring that topic respect.
For example, let me make an example to you now. One, we where we come here now, we go say, okay, Mo, they look for work.
Sorry, I need one this because
I'm making confess. I'm coming later.
Me, I'm go sleep. Tomorrow I'm go work. Okay.
No.
Hello, yeah.
Please don't be annoyed. My friend just talked to me, so don't be annoyed.
Okay.
So like for example, now where we dey here now, where we come. Some of us go they say, Mo go they try, Mo they look for work, even though work no dey. Now because Nigeria know they agree they work, that's why they know they give us work. You hear say person go tell you say whether now start the shoro, they don't spoil the country tete. They just spoil that tete before he come. So he wants to spoil out the journal. Who they come go see the following leg. Who they come go see the following leg. You they see the life. Why not you make change as your time? I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. And now he go tell you say no be starter. They don't spoil out before he come. So he go start from where they stop. Why not you make that change? So that people whether they come, they go see stand for where you stand. If 3 countries for this Italy, immigrant 3 countries go find work, they will give the remaining 2. Now only Nigeria person they no go give. Why? They don't get that impression say Nigeria no they like to work. I hope you are getting what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They don't get that impression. Say we know they like to work. Either we do shoro or we do the other thing. So we know they like to anything we want stay on, anything we want make us suffer. So my brother, tell me, if person get this kind of pressure about you, as for you, or as for any other person where they watch me, how will you feel? Will you respect that person? Will you get that? Will you get respect for that country?
No.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So my brother, that is the reason why if we can change, our attitude as we behave well, we behave mature, we respect ourselves. Definitely they must respect us. You see say if you see any Nigeria person now where they work for company and they don't look at the person, say this person is quite different from others, they go respect you. They'll give you that respect. Because they don't say you did different from others. No be like others where they no one work. They must respect you because you humble yourself, you work, you obey, and you they do your work diligently. Definitely they will respect you, my brother. So now so it be. I know I don't offend many people, but I know offend people. I know talker because
no,
I just make an example so that Moku they learn. Now so it be.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much, my brother.
So thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Just I hope you stay back and hear what other people are going to say as well.
Okay, no problem. You take care of yourself.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So that's one come from our brother Kevin. Okay, this one is coming from we said hello, good evening. Okay, this one is coming from Bella Eva. Okay, sup there. Okay, Bella Eva said long time no see, my dear. You don't tell, no be small thing. This one is coming from Hindi. He said evening. Okay, evening to you. And this one is coming from okay, let's see who we have here. This one is coming. Okay, this one is coming from you. He said, "I'm sorry, I must go out. I bring Erica friend from my son and at home now. Okay, no problem. You're so much welcome. Thank you so much for joining us for today. Do join us on Sunday again for another important topic again. Thank you so much." Then he also said, then he is a black boy from Africa, and as a mom never let the children go alone at home. Okay, there's no problem. You are free. You are welcome. You are welcome. Then it's from Erica. You said, then it's dangerous also in my country. Okay, there's no problem. You are free to go. Join us again on Sunday for a wonderful and a nice topic as well. So thank you so much. So back to what you are saying, please. Let's respect ourselves. The eyes they are looking at us in this country. It's spoiling things more and more. Let's comfort ourselves. Let us give ourselves some, even though na small thing, respect. Let's see if you can be able to change some certain things. And for those that are shouting, there's no work, there's no work. Have you ever asked yourself, do I know how to speak the language if I get the work? Okay, do you want to tell me that if you get the work, now they give you the work now come, go. What are you doing? I want to speak for a man when even they hear, come and go. No, let's reason. Let's put some things into consideration. Someone invite, okay, you say, bye, I see you next topic. Okay, no problem. On Sunday, you join us on our next topic on Sunday. Thank you so much for joining us today. So let's take it back. Have you ever imagined, okay, he employed you now, and he said he wants to tell you come in his own language, and you are only hearing come in English. How will you people communicate? Maybe he says you go and bring a bottle of water for him, and you go and carry stove come. It will not work now. But before you complain there is no work, learn the language, follow the procedures. You know the language, you know when this is what is called this one in their language, because you call this one bottled water, but they don't call it bottle in their own in their own language. It may sound like bottle, but it's not bottle. They call it on in their own language. So you have to learn the procedures. What is it called this one? What is this one called this one? This one. Then you cannot talk about job, because yes, you are capable. You have built yourself up. You understand? You have built yourself, you have backed yourself up with so many things that at least, okay, if I get this job today, how will I handle this job to last for me? You understand? Not complain that you don't see job, but have you never asked yourself, okay, even if I get the job today, do I know how to speak the language? How can I even communicate with my boss? How will I even know when he said I should go, that the work has finished, that the work has been closed? How will I know all those things? So what I'm trying to say, let's respect ourselves by doing the necessary things. Stop indulging ourselves in all those bad things they know us with, because the bad ones now are corrupting the good ones. Is it good? Is it fair? Ask yourself. Because now every time Nigeria this, Nigeria that, they will fight for street, Nigeria. They will start person with knife, fight for club, Nigeria. Nigeria. For how long will it continue like this? If we don't wake up now and fight for this now, for how long will it continue? Because as we are doing it now, if we don't take that action now and work on it now, if you give birth to children tomorrow, they will still continue in that same line until we still be getting worse and worse. But if you can be able to start dealing on this thing now, start advising ourselves, start comporting ourselves, start respecting ourselves, respect your dignity, respect your humanity, respect yourself in person. Because I believe all these things will come through respect. If you respect yourself, and outside will respect you as well. If you put, he said, respect is what you gain when you give it out. Because I can't see whom, for okay, they say a good morning, nice, how are you? Okay, for instance, now, at the past now, I can't say good morning. Let me just use that as an example of respect. If I don't tell you good morning, will you tell me how are you? It's impossible. Now when I say good morning, you go say morning, how are you? Then I will not respond, fine, or I'm not fine. But when I just walk and pass, and you walk pass, everybody walk the pass. You see, nobody. How are you coming? No, fine will not come in. How are you will not come in? You understand? So please, let's try and respect ourselves. Like I said when I said this point, I said respect is a reciprocal. You understand? When you respect yourself, someone else will respect you. But when you don't respect yourself, how do you expect someone else outside there to respect you when you don't respect yourself? So please, the line is still open. The comment box is still there for you to comment and also make your own contribution. And let us also learn from each other, because people have been calling and making contribution. Now we have not less than let's say 20 something minutes left. So with this little time we have, let's use it wisely. Please call in now, make your own contribution, and send your own ideas. Let us learn together. Okay, let me quickly go back to the comment board before I make the announcement I made before. This one is coming from Adibu F Jet. I said, oh, that is not good symbol. Okay, and he saw Jet also said, if you know where you come from, no one will lead you where you going to. Let me take it one more. He said, if you know where you are coming from, no one will lead you where you are going to. Okay, that's the sign of respect. If you respect yourself, know the kind of family background you come from the country, just respect your country. It's becoming too much. Like the last one I just said, that if you go to prison yard now, the number of Nigerians that are there is more higher than the number of other people that are there. Not more people they give house arrest that cannot come outside from their home. Just imagine, why all this? Why all these things? It's lack of respect. You know, say respect, like the fourth or the third color that I call it said respect. It doesn't mean when you send a small child to go and buy something for me every day, and that baby keep on going, and that means that baby is respecting me. No, there's a stage it will go to that baby will insult you, and I say you're always the same person message. You don't even the same person thank you, or you don't even the same way use your hand go one day. You see, you understand what I'm trying to say? So please, let's just, the line is still open. The comment box, you can still send in your comment and let us learn from your own idea and your own view. Okay, so the announcement, the good news I have for every one of us is that 1st of May, why this April is always in my mouth? Okay, May, okay, May. 1st of May, we'll be having our first guest on this program, because our program is upgrading every day by day. So we'll be inviting our first guest that will be speaking to us all the way from Italy. Has been in Italy for so many years. I have many experience. He's my mentor. He's my my coach, and I've learned a lot of things from him. I like sitting under his teachings because he teaches and he also preaches. So I'll be inviting him. I've spoken with him. He accepted to to be part of us in this program that very day. He's like he's a father. He's a father to me. He's a father to all of us. So I will just beg you guys to join us that very day, 1st of May 2019, which is next month we are about to enter. So which is our approximately 2 weeks, in 2 weeks time. So join me as we bring him in, so he can speak to us like a father. If you have anything you want to know, both in your marriage life or in your relationship or in your love life at all, anything that you need to know about, just write it down now for you not to forget about it. On that very particular day, then you bring it up and you can ask him some kind of question. He will be able to answer you. And just the way I will be announcing the way we are going to be doing the program, maybe the last day of the last program of this month, I will announce to you guys how the program will function. And that very day before I will invite him in, I will also tell you how the program will be handled that very day. So just join us that very day. You will learn a lot of things. Okay, let me quickly go back to the comment box and see what you have here. This one is coming from Claudia Bella. I said, sorry, I tried to follow you, but most of your words I don't understand. Okay, sorry, please. Claudia, please don't be offended. This program is a let's say, it's a multicultural program, it's a multi-language program. So I'm trying to make sure that I use some of the words that everybody will follow up, everybody will understand. Okay, I try to make use of correct English and pidgin English and Nigerian English as well, so to make some native language, so that some people will be able to carry on along. So in case there's something that you don't really understand, you can still make me to understand. You can still ask some questions, then maybe I will repeat it with correct English that you can be able to understand, then so that you will be following up and understand what you are really discussing. Okay, so thank you so much for that brief notice. Okay, I really appreciate that. So please, guys, keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, because this program is getting more interesting. Because if you don't know, like there's one parable that said, who don't know where rain started beating him or her won't even know when the rain stopped beating him or her as well. So if you don't know where rain started to beat you, by the time we go stop to the beat you feel no still know. That's what I was trying to say. If you don't know where the rain started beating you, as in rain is falling, and you don't know where it started falling on you, you might not even also know as well when it started falling, when it stopped falling. Okay, now no go buy tongue, say I no go school. So no, just they take a small like that. So that's how we keep on going on this program. So please, the comment box is still free, it's still empty, it's still there to receive your own point of view. You just call in or send in your own comment, so we can be able to read it out. And if you want to say your own, let us hear from the horse's mouth direct. Fine, good and good is even more better for me to have some rest, because I've been talking, explaining things. So if you can call in and also make your own idea or make your own view known to us, we will really appreciate that, so we can also learn from your own ideas. So thank you so much for joining us. This program has come to stay. We do this program every Wednesday and Sundays. Okay, every Wednesdays and Sundays, do join us. We do this program without any problem. It's a platform where you can be able to call in freely and make your own opinion, say your own mind, and no one is here to criticize you, or no one is here to shun you or to speak bad thing against you. Just say it as it is in your mind, and let us also hear the point you're making. So remember, the line is still open. The comment box is still there waiting for you. Now we have about 45 minutes to go in this program, because you all know that we'll be ending this program exactly 12 midnight. Please, if you want to call now or want to send your own contribution, send it now or call now. Not when the program remains 5 minutes to round up, you start calling or you start sending comments for me to read. I will not read. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will not read it, or I will not pick any calls. So if you want to call, you call now. They will pick your call. Yeah, talk to us. Then, no matter any language you want to speak, anyhow you want to speak to us, in whichever language you want to use, feel free to use that language. We are all here to learn. Okay, definitely someone in this room, someone in this group, someone in this program will definitely understand your language. Okay, so feel free to join us. Feel free to make your comments, and I'm here to read it out. In case you're joining us for the first time, I don't know how this program used to function. Let me take you a little back on how the program used to function, so you can be able to follow us every time we are on this program. We do this program in order to impart knowledge to each other, because nobody knows it all. Okay, that's why we call the program Let's Educate Each Other. So we do it every Wednesday and Sunday, exactly 9 o'clock p.m. in the night, and we end it 12 midnight. Okay, so that people can be able to go to bed and also prepare for work the following day. So that's why we end it 12 midnight every Wednesday and Sunday. I know we used to bring topic to discuss. Fine, I'm not the one that always bring the topic. Sometimes I do bring the topic. Sometimes, like the topic we're going to be discussing on Sunday, someone sent it to me today. Now the two topics we're going to be discussing on Sunday has already been sent to me now. So the person sent it this evening, so we are going to be discussing it, because this one now was the last topic they sent to me during last week. We are dealing on the other program, so now we are dealing on it now. So the one they sent to me today will be discussed on Sunday, so that everybody will be able to participate. In case you have something that you want us to talk about, feel free, inbox me the topic. I'll be here live on normal time we normally do it, and I'll present the topic. Then you yourself will hear that yes, is your topic we are discussing, and if you have something to contribute, you contribute. Then if you don't have something to contribute, you can sit back and learn from it. Simple. And that will also help you to know your left and your right, in terms of if you meet that kind of situation one day like that, you know, yes, I've listened to something like this before, and look at what I get from it, and look at what I have to learn from it. So that's just the point. So make your own contribution by calling and sending your comments. I will read it out, and people will also hear from you. Don't feel intimidated. Don't feel left out. Okay, everybody is welcome. You're welcome to the program. Feel free, say your mind, and people will hear you out. Okay, that's how the program functions every Wednesday and Sunday, 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. Okay, and the topic we are dealing on today is, people have been saying respect. You know, they respect me. You don't have respect for me. The topic now is, what is that respect that people have been shouting all about? That's it. What is respect? And the second topic is it proper for the eye they are looking at us here in Europe? Is it good for do we really deserve that kind of treatment, or that kind of eyes they are looking at us? Do we really deserve it? So that's just the gospel truth. So let's do justice to this topic we are discussing. The line is still open. The comment box is there. So I know you guys are following up. Just share it, invite your friends. Let's see if they have another idea to give us or another kind of opinion apart from the one we have heard from different kind of people. Okay, so feel free, share the program, invite your friends. Let's make this program an interesting one. Okay, fine. I'm waiting. I'm at your service. I'm waiting. Oh God. 40 minutes to go. 40 minutes to go. You have less than 40 minutes to go on this program. So please make your contribution, send in your comments, and let's move on. And also don't forget to join us on 1st April when we'll be hosting our first, we'll be hosting our first guest in this program. Oh God, I'm feeling dizzy. Okay, we have a lot of comments right now. Okay, this one is coming from Jetta. Jetta said, if pussy and dog can get if pussy and dog can get together, why can't we love ourselves? Respect who you are. Don't look what you don't have. We were treated in manners. Africa, we know. Let the beauty of the place don't change who you are or where you are coming from. Wow, this is a very wonderful contribution. Maybe I will take it one more time. He said, if pussy and dog can get together, why can't we love ourselves? Respect who you are. Don't look what you don't have. We were treated in manner. Africa, we know. You are treated in manner. Africa, we know. Let the beauty of the place don't change who you are or where you come from. Okay. And he also said, this is also coming from Jet again. He said, I'm from Gambia, bro. I love your education. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this program, because since you joined this program, you have been making a wonderful contribution. Thank you so much, brother. Keep on inviting your Gambian friends as well. Tell them that we are one. They should join this program and learn more from this program, because if you keep on sharing this program and explain to them that you have been learning something since you joined this program, I believe they would like to join you one day to watch this program, and everywhere go good. Now other Nigerian Greece join us, so everywhere goes too now. Pepper soup go there now, you understand? Everywhere pepper soup now. You understand? So that's a very nice contribution coming from Jetta. Okay, Jetta, okay. It's the same thing. Now the same mama, now the same papa, now I'm born them. So that's it. So keep on sending your comments and your views, because the program is getting more interesting, though the viewers are not much more encouraging, but there's no problem, starting up something like this in a which way that you are saying the truth. Some people are running away from the truth, but one day the truth will catch up with them. So that's how it is. So keep on sharing the program, keep on telling your friends about it, sending your own contribution. We read it exactly how you send it, or you call. If you think that we are not reading it the way you send it, you can easily call. You can equally call, and I will bring it to the camera. Then you say it with your mouth. Everybody will hear you out. So that's how it works. That's how our program works. So, oh God, feeling so dizzy. So that's it. So please make your contribution and let's move on this program and let people learn. So please do join us on Sunday. We'll be discussing an important topic again that everybody will benefit from. Okay. So, and also don't forget the announcement I've been making since uh on Sunday now, that 1st of May we are having our first guest on this program that will be teaching us, that will be educating us. So please do yourself a favor that very day to join this program. That on 1st of May. You have to learn a lot of things, and if you have any question to ask, it's not going to be me, because I've been talking since all this while, but that very day we have that guest. You are not going to ask your question directly to him. Okay, so I'm not going to be the one to answer your question that very day. He's going to be the one to answer your question. So please, when he will be online talking to us, I beg you guys should just take pen and book, put down some things, put down your questions, put down the things that you would like him to explain more that you didn't understand through his teaching. Then put it down, so when the time is being given for him to answer questions, then you can be able to send in the question, then he will answer you and you hear him live and direct. So please keep a date with us that 1st of May. Don't be left behind, don't be told, because that program, if you miss that day topic, for you to get that kind of topic again, you go pay some amount of money. You understand? But we are offering that day, I'm going to offer that program free of charge. Just all you have to do is for you to just log in, join the live video. You get all the information and the answers you need. So that's just it. So never forget, the line is still open for you to call in, make your contribution, and also let everybody hear you, and also learn from you, and we learn from you as well. That's just the point for the program. So you just have less than 33 minutes now to go on the program. So this 33 minutes is your turn to call, send in your comments, let people hear you out and contribute to your own opinion. Oh God, oh God. It's not easy to be talking for good 4 hours. So please continue sharing the program, continue inviting your friends. Let's keep on, making this program to be a successful one. Okay, this one is coming from Jata again. He said, a lack of boundaries invites lack of respect. Okay, a lack of boundaries, I don't know, invites lack of respect too. Okay, so you create boundary to yourself. Now I try to understand what he's trying to say. So you create the boundary to yourself. You get limit, not be, because there's one word they said, we get ourselves into some certain trouble. There's some people that you need to greet and walk away and go your way, but you end up forcing yourself to make friendship with them. That's how it end up becoming another thing. So not everybody you have to make friendship with. Some people need to greet and walk away and go your way. Just say hi, you just go your way, than to mingle yourself with those kind of people that will bring you down and will bring your self-esteem down. So please, the first key is for you to respect yourself first of all. There are some gathering you don't need to be involved. You don't need to see yourself in some gathering. In some things people do, there are some areas you don't need to see yourself, because once you see yourself in that such area, that means you are betraying your respect, and you also throwing to the floor. Who don't reach the level of insulting you will not insult you. That will not bring up the issue of, you are insulting me, you don't have respect for me. Do you respect yourself first of all, by not going to that extent, by not going to that area? So okay, he said I got it right. Yes, no, I don't go school, but at least the little one I have to use it to make it up. Okay. Thank you so much for that recommendation, Jata. Okay. So please let's caution ourselves in some areas. Some certain things we do, I think it's hard time we need to, leave some certain friends and lead to some certain expectation. You understand? So please, 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 the line is still open for you to comment and make your own contribution. Keep on sharing the program. I believe that we have a lot of things to learn from this topic we are dealing on today. Okay, so you are free to call. You are free to make your own contribution. No one is here to criticize you. Everybody's just going to learn from you for what you just said, and the program moves on, goes on like that. So okay, we are having just less than 30 minutes now to call the program a quit for today, to quit the program for today. Now it's just 11:30. We have just 30 minutes to end today's program. So please be part of this program every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. That's how we do it every week, 2 times in a week, Wednesday, Sunday, 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So be part of this program, and you will not regret being part of this program. You will learn a lot of things. So keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, keep on telling them that brother, have fun. I get this program while they watch every Wednesday and Sunday by 9 p.m. If you get chance, may still join us watch, and you no go regret say what that kind of program. That kind of a thing. You see, that person will always remain grateful for you introducing him to this program, because maybe he or she might have been looking for a platform that you can be able to call and make contributions like this, but you have not seen. So now is the greatest opportunity for you to make live call and talk as as you like, and make your contribution as in, I don't know how to explain, but for me, I think this program is good because I've learned a lot of things from this program since the program started. So that's just the point. So we have no less than 28 minutes to go to round up. So you have the right to call in, send in your view, your point, what you mean, or what you understand by that word respect. Let's see how it goes. Okay, just feel free. So we are still waiting, looking at the time, waiting for your comments, waiting for your call as well. So don't be left out. Make your own contribution. Make your own contribution and let us hear your own
I don't
view.
take today. I go to hospital.
You understand?
Tomorrow I can't take. Yeah. Tomorrow, no, now I don't have now. Tomorrow.
Make your own contribution, and let's move on with this problem. This program is quite educating.
See, but on Monday I have Monday still.
Oh God, I'm feeling so sleepy.
I
So,
that.
so, can call in. The line is still open
Okay, sorry.
for you to make your own contribution.
Okay.
Make your contribution.
Two.
What you think, what you feel that
Thank you.
can be able to work out for them to stop looking at us the way they look at us, and we deserve some respect and some accolades. That's just the point. So because so many things have been going on in this European side, Europe countryside that we are in, the way they look at us, the way they do things, and it seems as if we fall a victim of one crime or the other. So please, just call in. You can send your view, your opinion, or in case you don't know the topic we are discussing on today, because this is a platform where we discuss topics, we discuss things that will help us, even if not the present time, it will also help us in future and later days to come. So in case you don't know the topic we are dealing on and you want to be a part of this program, you want to participate, you are free. Just call in or you ask me through comment, said what is the topic we are dealing on. I will explain it quite alright to you. Then you have your own say, because everybody have rights to have in fact, this program, the second name of this program is freedom of speech. You are free to speak, to say whatever you want to say, and definitely people is there to hear you, and let us educate each other. Like we all know that the program is all about educating ourselves. Okay, so we just have limited time to go now, 24 minutes to go. We'll be out from this program. So within these 24 minutes, you still have great opportunity to make your own comments or ask some questions that you need to ask about the topic. Then we will repeat the topic to you. Okay, so feel free, and you can call in, you can make your own contribution the way you want it, and everybody will hear you out. That's just the simplest way to do it, by calling in. Or if you have time to write, you write it and send it in, and I'll read it. Because I'm here always, I'm always here to serve. I'm at your service. Whatever you write, I will read it exactly the way you wrote it. So don't feel like if you write something that will start removing some words. Instead of me to remove highest, I will add for you. That's just simple truth. So I'm not going to remove anything. That's just it. Make us serious more now. I've been talking since all this was. So you just call in. You just make your contribution. Let's move on. Okay. We are waiting. Wait. Make your own contribution. Just have less than 22 minutes to go. We are almost close to the time. Oh. Oh, God. 20 minutes to go. Okay. So do remember, once it's 11:55, there will be no more calls again. There will be no more contribution again, because I won't read out your contribution. I won't pick any calls again. So anything you want to say now, you just have the time to say it now within this short period now that we have just 20 minutes to go. Because as it enters 11:55, we can no more take any calls and we can no more take any comments again. So you better make use of this little period. There's these 15 minutes that are left now. So in case you don't know the topic we are dealing on, you can still ask what's the topic. We explain to you, then you will understand. But if you know the topic and you want to make your contribution either through calling or through writing, you write it and post. I'm here to read it. I'm here to serve you. And if you call, I'm here to bring you to the camera as well for you to speak, and everybody will hear you out. So don't feel as if you are left out or you are count out. No, no one is left out. No one is count out. So once you just send in your destiny, it will be read out. Subito. Oh, yeah. Feeling so sleepy, so dizzy, but still doing it on the program. You have 14 minutes left. The 14 minutes left, I think, is enough for someone to call in and make his own contribution, or through comment or through calling. So just choose whichever way you think that is more safer and free for you. You can do that, and feel free to say whatever you want to say. It's your own opinion. That's how it goes. That's how it works. Like what our brother used to say, he said that so many things are going on through so many of us head. Okay, but that's just the simple truth. So you call in or you send in your your comments, then we will read it out. People will hear what you wrote and also learn from that. Like I said, I have a very good news for all the members of this program. I've spoken with my mentors, and one of my mentor, my coach. He said he will be joining us on this program 1st of next month, which is May. And I've checked the date. It fell on Wednesday, which means we are lucky. We do this program Wednesday and Sunday. And that first of that week, we said he will be joining us on the first week of next month. And I checked my calendar today. It fell on 1st of May, which is Wednesday. So please, you guys should start getting ready with your questions, with your contribution, or whatever you think that yes, you need to ask or you need to contribute to the program that very day. He will be here to answer your question, to answer everything you'll be able to ask him. He will definitely answer you. Okay, so that's just the point. So please, I beg of you guys, you should share this program. Don't let this program to be scant that very day that we'll be inviting our guests. Let us watch this program in full. Invite people. Let's have more viewers that very day, so that we also encourage him to come next time to speak to us, okay? So that everybody will learn from that. This one is coming from F. Jata. I said, respect is earned. Honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, loyalty is returned. Without respect, love is lost. Without caring, love is boring. Without honesty, love is unhappy. Without trust, love is unstable. So respect is parts one in life, okay? Yes. Jetta, you're doing a great job. I'm learning a lot of things, a lot of words from what you're sending in. So keep doing it, keep it up. Well, we appreciate it more if you also invite your friend, because I know that as it happened in Nigeria, it's also happening in Gambia, because they have a lot of Gambians that are also in that situation that some of our Nigerians are. They are busy spoiling our image, spoiling our name. So if you can be able to reach those your brothers, some of those of your brothers, tell them about this. Look at if they can be able to join us, at least if they are seeing all this in your writing, I believe they will have some change of mind in some certain things they are doing, and many people have change of mind in some other things they are doing in this country. Let's live in peace in this country. Let's learn how to help and and solve each other's problem in any little way we can be able to do that. Okay, so thank you very much for that wonderful contribution that you have been sending in all this while. So you are doing a great job over there. So thank you so much for your contribution. So the line is still open for you to call in if you want to call in, and if you want to make your own contribution, don't hesitate to do that, because we just have limited time now. We just have about let's say 14 minutes. Let's say we have 9 minutes now, 9 minutes left, because the remaining 5 minutes I will use it to to round up the program. Okay, should it be 8 minutes left or something, or 9 minutes? You use it to round up the program. So in case you don't know the topic we are dealing on today, you can call in or you can ask for the topic. It will be made known to you, it will be explained to you for you to understand what we have been discussing since 9 o'clock this evening till this 12 midnight. We are about to end the program. So don't feel left behind. Whatever thing you think that yes, they can be able to contribute in this program, feel free to contribute to it, and let's all learn from one another. So keep on sending your comments and also your views. Let's do it together this time around. I'm having kata. I'm feeling so sleepy tonight. What is happening to me? I've not slept for days now. Just thinking. That's why I'm feeling so sleepy now. So hello, I hope you guys are following up. Just have less than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes to round up today's edition of Let's Educate Ourselves. Let's educate each other, okay? So make use of this little time that we have now to make your own contribution, and also if you like, you can call in and let's hear from you direct. So remember, like I said before, first of this month we are about to enter, as in next month we are about to enter, 1st of May, we'll be having our very first guest on this program that will be speaking to us. Okay, so please make sure you join us on this program that very day, so that you see more of what you need to tell everybody, because that very day program will be more interesting. Okay, Jetta is still writing. Jetta said, we thank you for your time. Enough respect to you. Happy. Enough respect. Okay, enough respect to you. Happy. Good night. I love the program. Okay, thank you so much Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So please, we do love you as well to be joining us every day because we are learning a lot of things from your contribution. Thank you for that wonderful contribution I've done today. Also, try and let your friends know about this program as well. So, as you are enjoying it, as you love the program, you are enjoying it. I would also like you to also invite your friends for them to also join and enjoy what you are enjoying on this program because the program is quite educating. If I may confess, it's so much educative. It's educating very well. Just that some people don't really understand. When there is truth, where there is truth, some people don't really come up because they say truth is always bitter. You understand? But nevertheless, everywhere good. We'll keep on doing it until the day that it will be spread and people will come to realize the good work and the thing we all are doing together here to make people understand the kind of things they are into. Okay, so I wish you also a very good night rest. Good night too. Okay, see you on Sunday. Don't fail to join us on Sunday for another nice topic because that one is another thing that is happening around us in everyday life is happening. You understand? So I believe if you join us down on Sunday as well, you will learn another new thing added to the one you have been learning, added to the one you know before. So that's just the thing. Okay. Okay. Just have 4 minutes left for you to call in. 4 minutes left for you to write whatever you want to write, so that everybody will hear from you as well. So just 4 minutes to go on this program for today. We end it exactly 12 midnight. So whatever thing you feel like you can be able to contribute within these 2 minutes that are left, these 3 minutes now, because we are only left with 3 minutes. Because like I said, once it's 11:55, we no longer receive any call, we no longer receive any comments. You can send in the comment, but there will not be time for me to read it out. So just make use of these 3 minutes, quickly rush and write what you want to write and send it in, then I will read it out. Or if you want to call, you can call within these 3 minutes, and if you have to take extra minutes, we will know how we're going to add it for you. But remember, you're not going to exceed 12 midnight. You just have about 8 minutes now, because the 8 minutes, I'll be using 5 minutes out of the 8 minutes to round up the program, to say a very big thank you to everyone that participated today. So that 5 minutes will be able to help me to do all those things. So now we are left only with 2 minutes of your time. 2 minutes is enough for you to write or comment, or even if you want to call, 2 minutes is enough for you to call as well and make your contribution. Okay, so the point is, we want to talk about this respect that everybody's lamenting on. The respect person. You don't give me respect, don't do this one, you don't do this one. So what is that? What's the meaning of that respect that everybody's lamenting and complaining on that they are not getting? The point is, have you respected yourself? Okay, just 1 minute. You just have just 1 minute left for you to contribute or to make your own point of view. 1 minute and some seconds, then I'll draw it for a close and go into conclusion for today's edition. Then we'll now talk about how Sunday's program will be before that. the day we were going to invite our guests that very day. Because it's meant for us to educate our youth. Okay, the actual time we have been waiting for is finally here. So, I just want to use this opportunity, this little time that's left now, to say a very big thank you to everyone that have watched today's program. I say a very big thank you to all of you that have joined us on today's topic, and know that people that are calling have made their own points and made their own opinion and made a wonderful contribution. And those that have been writing their own in, they have also made their own contribution, and it was also a very good one. So please do join me again on Sunday, because on Sunday topic is going to be another topic that is going to educate us more and more. And also I want to say, please, most especially we Nigerians, please, let's just try and learn how to respect ourselves in person. They said if you respect yourself, an outsider will respect you. But when you don't respect yourself, nobody out there will respect you, because whatever you present to the public is the way the public is going to receive it from you. Understand? So if you know that you are part of those people that are spoiling our name, Nigeria, that are causing, that are even making all of us to be ashamed to accept, to admit that we are Nigerians, if you are part of all those people, please, I'm begging you in the name of God or in the name of whatever thing you are serving, respect yourself. Try and encourage yourself. First of all, ask yourself some certain questions. This thing you are doing in this country, is this what that brought you all the way from your country to come and be doing here? You look at some people, they will say, Curtis, this one is pursuing, then this one. Okay, you got to this place again and you continue doing that same causes of a thing. Why can't you change for once? Why can't you leave some certain things alone for once? As everybody know what is capable to do. This is not your country. You are in another man's country. You are in another man's land. Papa no day, mama no day. There's no father, there's no mother. So why can't you just advise yourself? Focus. Know what that make you to move away from your country to another man's country, to know what you are here for. Keep on doing all this. Keep on fighting in the street, fighting in club, in any place they have any bad thing doing. Your name must appear there. Why? Is it the kind of life you want for yourself? Please, I want to beg you for something. Even if that's what you want for yourself, for the sake of your people at home, for the sake of your mother, for the sake of your father, for the sake of your unborn children, for the sake of your wife, please respect those people. For their own sake, respect them and also respect yourself. And you see, at the end of the day, we're going to make this Europe to be a better place for you and I, and they will stop looking at us the way they have been looking at us. And guys, stop taking things that you know that is not yours, as in taking it as if it's your father's sweat or father or whatever. Nobody will carry all this thing from head come from Africa, come from this country. No, nobody. Just let us try and comport ourselves. Let's just try and give ourselves that self-respect, because there's nothing like self-respect. Because when you respect yourself, someone else will definitely also respect you. But if you don't give yourself that respect, how do you expect to get it? Because you can't get what you don't give out. It's what you give out you get. You can't go to the farm and plant yam and you come tomorrow to come and harvest cassava. No. If you plant yam, you come back and harvest yam. If you plant cassava, the same thing. So please, I use God in heaven to beg for all of us. Let's try and change the attitude, the way people look at us in this rope. When they see us, they see us as if we are mafians, but we are not mafians. But what we are doing has turned us to be a mafian that we are not in. And then you guys are now using to be destroying other people's destiny and futures. It's not proper. So please, I beg that as you watch this program, when it will be being shared today, or anytime you have time to watch this program, please try and learn one or two things from what people that have been calling have been saying, and at the end you see we'll have a better result out of what we have been looking for. So once again, I say a very big thank you to all of you that have joined me on this program today. So please don't forget to join me again on Sunday by 9 o'clock p.m. till 12 midnight. And this program, you know how it functions, is an open program where you have the right to call and make your own contribution. Nobody is here to question you. Just say what you feel like that to make us to move to the next level, to make people to know that Nigerians are not bad, because they have labeled us that Nigerians are bad. But please, in your own little way that you know you can be able to do it, let people know that Nigerians are not bad. We are good. Just allow them, let them come closer to us and find out that we are good people. We are not bad people, please. That's just the main purpose and main message we want to pass across on this live, on this program we are doing today. So please join us on the first week of May. We are inviting our first guest that will be speaking to us. So please share this news. Tell your friends to get ready of that very day, to put down their question, to put down whatever they want to ask us, that want to learn from. And that day, our guests will be able to respond to their questions and give them what they need to know about what they want to know. So thank you so much for joining me today. I still remember my humble self, your presenter, Kris Nkume. But if you add that DJ for the front, I will still tell you thank you for putting that profession on for them. So once again, thank you for joining me today, girl. See you again on Sunday. Bye. Thank you. See you again on Sunday by 9 p.m. Let's do it together once again. Thank you. Bye.